G'day everybody, and welcome to some more Approximately Up. This time I've brought approximately 2 other people with me to play. That being Kabak, as you can hear him groaning, and TFE.
Yes. I think you enjoyed the dear one. Perfect timing.
That was brilliant. I'm going to subject them to the tutorial as I did the other day because I think it will be amusing watching them figure out what we do. So we should be selecting the tutorial. What's wrong, Kabak?
My capture is not working.
Now, we've got blank screen Kabak.
Let's pause the VOD for a second until Kabak catches up to reality.
Why?
Oh, man. Kabak.
What? I didn't do it.
Well, yeah, that's the problem.
Do you know what I do when I stream with Shaq at the moment? I turn up early to make sure all this stuff is working before we go live so that we can go live pretty much on time. Because I know there's going to be problems. Oh, thank you, Jump Point. Thank you for the Prime sub. And thank you, TFE, for the 27 months. And thank you, Beef. Thank you for the Prime sub as well. And Ghost Dog, thank you for Prime sub too. And Ellis Ames, thank you for 9 months.
Dang it, I can't do a slow panoramic spin of the solar system because you have to drag.
You got to restart your stream, right?
Well, I restarted OBS and that hasn't fixed it.
Oh.
Ew.
Thanks, Beldenick. Thank you for the 200 rainbow unicorns.
I might have to restart my stream PC and hope that fixes it.
All right. Kabak will be right back.
So, what did you have for breakfast, Splitsy?
Yes. Food chat. It always goes to food chat.
What is it? What? It's probably more interesting than the weather. Well, we know it's very overcast.
Oh, why is Kabak like this?
Because he's Kabak.
Just.
You've known him for how long?
How long have I known him for now? 30 years. 31?
And yet you continue to be surprised.
I don't know if I'm really surprised.
Resigned?
Yeah. It's a sigh of resignation. But at least this one's sort of like this wouldn't be annoying had Kabak not already turned up 10 minutes late. Like if he turned up on time and he had problems, didn't realize that would happen. Then you'd be like, okay, yeah, fair play. We're running a bit late because Kabak's got some tech issues. But turning up 10 minutes late, then running your ads, then realizing you've got tech issues, it's just like, dude.
What, it'd be like me turning up late to Planetcraft and then realizing my headset's died.
Yeah.
All right, I'm here.
But is your stream here?
Is your stream there?
Yep.
All right, cool. Are you in the game? You're still in the game?
I am. I need to tab back across. Oh, it spins.
It spins. Excellent. Let's get started on the tutorial then. I presume you guys are both seeing Meanwhile somewhere high above the ground?
Yep.
That's just my normal state.
Yep, there we are.
How do we tell who's who?
Well, you, I think, are blue, and Kabak, I think, is red.
Spitsy's orange. Ugh. This is not
Stole your
right.
color.
Unacceptable.
No, he's discovered the...
That wasn't me.
Oh.
We might want to try and do things.
Yeah, jump out.
Oh, no, I can't. Oh, this game would probably work out quite well as a wrong way style game. Because it would allow us to do the stuff that I wanted to do for wrong way up, wrong way out, sorry, where you have to use manual controls for everything, because that's what you can do.
I'm trying to delete component, but nothing's happening to TFE.
Hey,
He's not a component.
That's a very rude thing to say about somebody.
not saying I'm not a component.
He must have been making some thumbnails, that's why he's orange. Maybe. All right, you two, hop aboard. There's a to-do list on a whiteboard. Says to do, mount missing frame. 2, weld plates. 3, mount data cable. 4, repair power cable. 5, hold R to enter fly mode. So where's the 5 for inventory, pop a frame. Thank you, Thanos. Thank you for 30 months. Can you, ATFE, can you see me placing this block? Like, can you see the outline of it? Okay.
Oh. Main screen, turn on.
What are you doing, Kamak? So
Pressing the button on the monitor.
the first thing we need to do is we need to fill in this hole. So
Yeah?
if you guys press I and open your inventory.
Oh, right click to place things. This feels weird.
You can change that in the settings. I've flipped mine. Because, well, anything with tools in the game, I think it usually makes more sense to me to left click to place.
Once I've got my inventory open, how do I do anything with it?
Drag things across onto your hopper.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but you do the corner piece since TFE did most of the other bits. I'm gonna try and let these two learn just enough that we can hopefully do some building soon. I thought it'd be good if they did the tutorial as well because, well, I think we all need to have done it to work.
Yeah, okay, there we go.
Yeah, you placed it. Okay, now we need to weld it. So open up your inventory and pop the tools onto your hopper. Is this the kids' version of SE? No, this is more like kind of a little bit like if you combined. It's actually more like Archean, which is what I said in the last stream, and got some SE elements. It's got some KSP elements. It's got some Stationeers elements. There's a bit more to do with controls, and it's a bit more challenging from that front than SE is. Okay, so now we got to fix up the other things on the to-do list. Who wants?
I'll do the data cable.
Okay. TV, you want to do the power cable then?
Okay.
So the power cable's over here, TV.
Yeah.
This bit needs to go up to there.
Wait, where do I find the cable?
If you go to I and you go to electronics.
There we go.
They look like a little bracket piece holding either a black length of cable or a grey length of cable. Yeah, it's a bit more of the grown-up version of SE. But everything we do together is the kids' version of everything we do together.
Yeah.
You're figuring out how the cable works.
Oh, I see. Yeah, crouch.
Yeah, there's been a crouch added, which wasn't here when I played. That got added. So the demo for this game is out at the moment and is going to stay out until the early access release or the release of the game. So it was planned to come down tomorrow. I think it roughly worked out to be, but it's actually going to stay up now, which is cool.
I don't have
No, Capback's not out of the shared chat.
Yes, he is.
How? He's still showing in my guest star.
That's odd. Because at the top, it doesn't show for me that he's in it.
Well, I don't. Well, then it's Twitch's problem because he literally shows there for me.
Wait, why
I
have
can
not-
remove him and add him again, I guess.
That's odd. I don't have a rotation for the power cable.
Yeah, I'm struggling a bit to get the cable
do
to go in the
that.
direction I want.
So, what you want to
Oh,
do
wait,
with the
drag.
cables
Okay.
is
Yep.
click and drag,
Yep, now I got it.
find a point like in a straight line, and then you do the next segment, and then you do the next segment after that. Do it segment by segment.
But then I can't join these segments.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. These segments are joined. There you go.
What?
So, come back. What you want to do is bring this across and then bring it down.
Oh, okay. That's
Have you figured it out,
weird.
TP, or do you need help?
yeah, almost.
So, the top one, bring it across another block, and now you can bring it down.
There
And
you
they'll
go.
join. There we go.
And now we've finished the demo.
No, we haven't. Now we got to fly. There are
back.
3 controls here, and there are 3 of us.
Okay.
Guess we need to close the
Who-
door.
Who wants up?
I can take up.
Okay. Back, do you want maneuver?
Do we have power? Things don't seem to be working.
Yeah, we have to hold R to launch, and then that turns everything on.
I hope it closes the door.
You want to press R to launch, back? Hold it.
What?
Press and hold R, and that starts the launch.
Cannot
Turns everything on.
create spaceship because some cable cells are not anchored.
Oh.
Oh, there.
Weird.
I see it.
Oh, TFE placed a loose thing.
There we go.
Okay, now do it. Press and hold R, Kamak.
Oh,
Ah! True! Someone close it! Okay, the door's closed. Forward is a bit much.
Well, I guess I'm maneuvering.
Yep. Because this won't end terribly. The spaceship has holes in it, exposed framing, or even just an open door. The suction force can easily pull you out. So, you can see on the radar, Kabak, down the bottom, beneath your controls. I think we're trying to get to the circle.
Okay.
We need to fly to the headquarters.
Ah,
Back
what
here.
the?
What are these switches for?
why? Who's turned off the accelerator?
You did?
No, I
We're
turned-
going down.
Tiffy, you turned off the up.
Yeah, I turned it up, not forwards, backwards. I also didn't realize that 50 is constant.
Might be constant, or it might be slightly
Actually, I
sinking.
don't think it is constant, because we're still going down.
Do you want to go forward, Kabak? You're the captain?
What? Since when?
You're in charge of maneuvering.
Yeah.
Pretty sure that's the
You've got
captain.
more control than we do.
That means I've got the con. That doesn't mean I'm the captain.
Okay, you've got the con. Well, then tell me
What,
what
you're
to
the
do.
pilot?
Yeah.
Well, we're approaching the circle.
Yeah. Guys, I can't fix the stream chat while I'm doing game stuff like this. Just leave it. I'll fix it when I can.
We all die horribly.
Oh, there it is. I see it down there.
I am. So we got to land down there, TFE. That's going to be a lot on you.
Yes. I'm slightly
I'm going to turn off the forward backwards. I'm going to look through the floor and use that as an altimeter, I guess. That's what we need to
There
do.
isn't one here?
I
Is
don't
that
see an
the
altimeter.
green thing
Do
is
you?
in front of you?
I think that's battery power in front of you.
All right, we're
Kapak's got
overshooting
an
a bit.
Kapak's got an artificial horizon. Yeah, Kapak, have you noticed that you're not level?
I've noticed that we're sailing way past our objective.
No, we haven't. Not that far past. Well, I'm noticing that we're coming down
Well,
really hard.
We're about to
TFA.
hit the
I'm
ground.
at maximum up. Well,
Oh, there we go. We seem to have stopped. Now we're going up again.
ow.
I don't know how to do roll control.
I don't know how to do that with the mouse. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a camera looking down as well. Tiffy, this isn't where we want to land, mate.
Well, I was just told to be landing. I can't see where we are.
You can look around. You've got a camera in front of you.
Yeah, forwards.
Oh yeah, there we go. Come back just a little bit. If you can keep us relatively level, I'll drive us forward. Hold the joystick with the mouse and use
Oh, yeah,
QE.
yeah, you can use like
There we go.
W and S.
That is the developer themselves telling us what we need
Oh,
to do.
there we go. Yep, I got it. Slow down. We're gonna overshoot again.
I'm slowing. Try and do a little flare to slow us down as well. Should be able to do that.
Oh, I see
Yes.
what
Oh,
looks
we're
like.
pretty good. We're
I
pretty
see
good.
what looks like a landing pad.
Flare is something we have in abundance.
Remember to come down softly, TFE.
I think we're gonna miss the landing pad.
Well, just see if you can come down without breaking it.
Hmm.
Thanks,
What?
Elemental.
I think-
Thank you for the tier 2 for 37 months.
I think we
Oh.
want him to break it so that we don't hit the ground so hard.
He's
No.
actually done okay.
I mean, there's a
But we are
piece
still off
that's
the ground.
fallen off.
There is a piece. We've lost a landing leg. And another piece? I don't even know what that is.
Very bouncy spacecraft.
Oh, we lost our camera.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll do it. Where's the door control? Why am
The
I in
switch.
the air?
Oh, yeah.
It's still flying. Oh, you broke off 2 legs.
It's fine. Can fix it.
Can I get back in? Oh. Bye.
Oh,
What? We've
and we
been,
never saw him again.
We've been marooned.
Oh, it's
It's
gone.
fall out. I can see that.
I was trying to press the door close, but I couldn't.
No, he's got out of range. Dang it.
Ow.
Yeah, I just saw somebody hit the ground at high speed.
Oh,
Okay.
what was the button?
Hold down R.
Ah.
There we go.
What the?
So we completed the tutorial.
Cool.
Well, that bit. Now we have missions to do. So, if you press O, you can see what missions we have to do.
Whoa.
As you two discover the jetpack.
We gotta go to the sun.
No, we have Lost in Transit, Lost in the Snow, and To the Moon. We probably want to do the Lost in Transit and Lost in the Snow missions first to get some more parts to help us get to the moon.
Wait, don't we have to do a bunch of science first with the goo containers?
Yes.
Ow, don't point. That's rude.
Okay, so we need to build a ship. Who wants to be
Yeah.
responsible for the framework?
What happened to the old ship?
It's gone.
It exploded it.
It gets removed whether you complete the mission with it destroyed or not.
Alright. I
Capek's
built
going
us a
for the
new
ribbed
ship.
appearance.
It always does that. It's so ugly.
Oh, it's the only thing I had on my hotbar.
Yeah, well, put some more stuff on your hotbar and let's start designing.
Wait, so which quest are we
there's
doing
too many
first?
bits.
What's that?
Which
TP?
mission are we doing first?
We probably have to do Lost in Transit because it's the closest one.
Okay.
And it'll get us, it gets us some better batteries, which then let us get to the further one, and then we'll get rewards from that to do the next one. Is it shared inventory? I assume so.
Is there some kind of symmetry mode?
I don't know. Okay, you're probably best off thinking of this as the floor, just in terms of having an easier time moving around, building stuff on it. What I thought we could do in terms of three of us building together was someone designs the larger ship space, someone designs the control interface, and someone designs the thrusters. Yeah? And power systems.
I suppose I could
Do you
do
guys think that would be fair?
Yeah, I suppose I could do the thrusters.
All right, so I'll do the control stuff up front. That's fine.
Alright, guess I'll do structural stuff.
Okay, Kabak, where's the front?
Oh, yeah, that's good point.
Where do I start
Can
building
we
a
paint
cockpit?
it? Just paint one of the front is.
We'll say... Wait, what? Why are those hovering? The bit with the hovering bits, that's the front.
What?
This end?
Yep.
Okay. Can I get rid of those bits?
Well, then you won't know which end is the front.
There you go, I painted the front.
Well, because I need to actually make a cockpit, and it needs to be big enough to fit all three of us. I was gonna look at windows and things so that we can look downward. So, have you guys worked out how you use the jetpack yet?
Yeah.
So you can hover.
You can.
Yeah, so if you double tap space to go up and then you double tap shift,
Yeah, cool.
it'll then go dampness or can help. Kind of need that to be able to build up and around things. Is it even inventory or more like build allowance? From a usage perspective, is there much difference? Yeah, I'm a beef on that one. Is there much difference between, like, if you... I'm trying to think of a situation where there'd be a usage difference with shared inventory versus build limits.
It's very small. Is there not a bigger version?
Of...
Damn.
Wait, I've only got 2 thrusters.
Yeah, you'll need to... I think Kabak might be building the lift things right now. So you're going to have to do power systems too, TFE.
Ugh. Connected to a battery? Okay, this makes sense.
I wonder how bad this will be. We'll find out. That's the fun of it. So this is probably more of a game where we should be happily failing and then figuring things out from those failures. So making something too small, making something not with enough lift, making something with the control surfaces, all that sort of problem. And Kabak, as you may have noticed, when things start moving, we definitely need to be in an enclosed space. Also, you don't have to manually drag every component from your top bar. You can just hover mouse and press over that component and use 0 to 9 to automatically assign it to the hotbar slot. Yeah, I'm always terrible at remembering that. I've played a few games that have that as a feature, and I'm just bad. So apologies. It's more force of habit. how I do things. I want that shape. Something tells me you're gonna run out of glass pretty quickly. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's. Ooh. Okay. I might have made this too big. We'll find out. It'll be fine. That's what cameras are for, right? Cameras and giant CRT screens. Oh, TFE.
What?
You don't even see what you've done, do you?
What, rotate it all the way around?
Yeah.
It's more interesting that way. Why not mouse the proper way?
Thank you, Anonymous Gifter, for giving approximately up the sub. Thank you very much. And thank you, Geet. Thank you for the prime sub. Thank you, Squid. Thank you for lucky 13 months. And Elemental. I got distracted. I think I was saying this earlier. Thank you for the tier 2 for 37 months. How?
I suppose I can resist the urge to make them asymmetrical.
I'll tell you this much, TFE. It could matter.
That's what I was worried about.
Mm-hmm.
And of course I get it backwards. I'm on a roll.
I'm gonna go square this time because I had so many troubles with my front falling off last time.
Yes, that's pretty much all I've seen of this game is a clip of you going to launch and the windscreen falling off.
Yeah, that did happen. Whoops. Totally normal. How things go, right? Did Capac and Tiffany give up on Stationeers? No. Stationeers yesterday.
Yeah, we hate that game.
What? I didn't agree to this.
Who's put glass down?
Guessing by the colour of Capac.
Oh, I did. No, I did.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, I did it. Me.
Oh, I was
Who did
confused
it?
why it was
Me.
orange.
Yeah, it was orange because I put too many pieces. We don't have that many pieces of glass. I did the dumb.
Yeah, Splitsy had to stream early this week because of reasons. And, well, Capac and I are getting up at 5:30 AM.
No, the front falling off is a reference to an old Australian comedy thing. But it was also a reference to something stupid I did when I played this single player last week. And when we get more windows, we can put some windows in the front. See how this works. Yeah, Capac and TFE weren't there for the stream yesterday because I did it at an hour of the day that neither of them would like to be awake. Especially Capac. And I had to do that because I couldn't be here at the usual time. Jetpack kind of looks like a water jet. I actually did go on one of those water jetpack things. Gave myself a concussion.
Sounds like you were using it wrong. You know, it says do not point directly at face.
Oh, so there was something I was supposed to ask you, Capac, so that I can tell Shaq tomorrow. But maybe you can just drop in on our stream tomorrow and have a chat with us because he wants to know about your 40k candle scents. Because he was stunned that they were a thing.
Wow, that's a deep cut. I haven't had the candle cam set up for quite a while.
I know, but I can't remember why I brought it up, but I mentioned to him that it was a thing that you had. we looked up, and then I looked up the scents and we talked about them. And because I'll be streaming with Shaq tomorrow. And he's reminding me.
I mean, I've still sort of got one here. I actually went through the entire candle and had to replace it with an alternate candle.
Okay. Well, there's story there, but clearly you don't want to share, so fine.
Yeah, it's just still the same tin. It's just got a different candle in it now.
Ah. Oh, right. I see what you mean. I guess the question is, does it smell better or worse than it did before?
Yeah, different.
Right, this is terrible, and I should feel bad, but I'm just going to leave it as is, because it's enclosed the space, and that's good enough for now. Because we're going to probably crash this thing and have to rebuild large chunks of it. Anyway.
Yeah.
Is there a... Yeah, those ones.
Do that. Does this game care about aerodynamics at all? I think it does to... My understanding is it has come more like drag effects. So, TFE.
The red
Have
bit
you
means
noticed
it's
how
not...
some of your cables are red?
I'm guessing it
that
means
means they're unsupported. You need to keep them closer to the walls
Yeah.
and supports. So do keep that in mind. Also, just like in SE, you guys can have multiple hotbars. Same control.
Brave to assume I use multiple hotbars.
That might explain some things.
Oh yeah, cool. It attaches a little bracket to it when it's close.
Oh, there we go. I was right. There's only aerodynamics drag that allows you to go faster speed inside the atmosphere. So we do have to consider it a bit, but in reality, our shaping is not going to be like super worried about efficiencies. We can also become a submarine, but there's that. All right. Controls. What controls do I need? Oh, TFE, we probably need some RCS as well.
Yeah.
Just so you know. Were you guys happy with our control scheme we had just before, where one of us has elevation?
Yeah.
Well, I'm just thinking of reasons for the three of us to do the controls together. I mean, there are other things that will be useful, like there's having someone being the one who knows where the ground is. i.e. someone who's looking downward. Is that going to be annoying? Trying to figure out a nice way to do this helm setup. I think we'll be cozy enough in here. I was just shaping it off the size that Capac had done, so it is what it is. This the control scheme that we used just before was what I was sort of hoping I could have done for Wrong Way Out in Space Engineers, where we have manual controls and you have to actually try and do this stuff. I'm gonna have to rip out part of my wall to get the control set up. Dang it.
Oh, it actually welds up the outside of the blocks. That's interesting.
Well, that's no. I just want another lever vertical. Yeah, this will be fine. That'll be kind of funny, actually. Throw the throttle in the back and make someone run it without actually being able to see how fast you're going relative to the ground.
Don't tell them.
I'm tempted. I have 2 people with controls, but seal them in a box. The third has to give them directions, how to move, how much power to use. It can only end well. You could totally do that like a keep talking and nobody explodes style gameplay. I'd be down to do that as a challenge mode. Building something for that might be a bit tricky. Now... I need the splittery thingies. Or the joiner thingies, that was what I was using. These guys.
Wait, if we don't weld things up, does that mean we'll get sucked out through the 5-centimeter gap in the cubes?
We will get moved around inside at least. Although we can sit in chairs. I'll find where the chair is again. Oh, no, correction. 2 of us can sit in chairs.
Wait, what does that mean?
There are only 2 chairs. Which means they go in the back.
Oh, we've each got 2 then.
Nope.
What?
Now that I've placed them, have a look how many you've got.
Oh. Wait, but I've only got 2 thrusters. What, so up and forwards?
No, your lift thrusters are called atmospheric lift fans.
Ah.
I have invited Kabak back to the shared chat. He has not accepted my invite.
Oh.
Also, Kabak, are you still playing Metroid Prime 2 according to Twitch?
Oh, no, I changed that.
I think Twitch is just broken. Just, standard Twitch.
No, atmospheric lift fan.
Person with forward back throttle can only see outside window. Person with up down can only see out window in floor.
Oh,
Person
no.
with maneuver can only see forward. And go. Yeah. Sounds about right. Have we got a false ceiling, Kabak? Is that what's going on here?
What?
It's like a bar across the middle. Oh, did TFE?
I had to do that for the cables.
Why didn't you just make the cable go up to Kabak's roof?
Reasons.
The decisions
The roof
you make,
wasn't
man.
there when I...
The decisions you make sometimes, I cannot figure them out. I have no idea. Alright. TFE, have you supplied power to the thrusters?
Yes, I believe so.
Cool. Alright, I will data cable them up then.
Oh, that's what I was about to do. What else do we need?
So where is the input for them? Cable. Change your mind. There you go. Did you... Oh, TFE, something else you're going to need to use. There are things that allow you to put cables through walls and keep them sealed. You're going to need to replace...
There's a wall block or something, isn't there?
Yep, you're going to need to put some of them in, and I'll use them to get the data cables through, so I'll let you place where you want them.
Called again? Port or something?
Something like that.
Frame quarter with ports? No, that's not it.
It is called...
It was a frame thing, though.
Yeah, frame porter
Oh.
with ports.
Oh, it is.
There's a straight one and then there's one with a corner. You probably just want a straight one.
Yeah.
Could you leave the back open and just put a door to seal the cockpit? I mean, the seats are in the back, so yes? Yes, you could. Kabak doesn't have many paint color options right now. We have grey and slightly less grey. Let's see, I wonder if this time you can make it to the snow package and back, even if you finally use those 2 medium batteries. It's your first spaceship is pretty huge and heavy. We'll find out, yeah. I mean, we've got more batteries, so I might help TFE sort that out once I've got my controls in, but he needs to give me the wall port. Give me port so I can set up controls. But yeah, it'll be interesting.
How about that?
This is going to be pretty heavy.
There you go for a lovely glass of port.
Now, TFE, the wall ports only have a single power port.
Okay.
So you're going to need to do your cabling slightly differently.
Or I'm going to need 2 of them. Ow! I keep trying to go down slightly
actually,
more
no,
and disable my
TFE,
jetpack.
why does... No, the one that goes to the other side of the... Oh, dude. Can I suggest something?
What?
This. Instead of going up and over, just go across the floor and up.
Well, by the way, I was looking at the example diagram.
It doesn't... They all go... It goes out all of them.
I didn't know that. The way the diagram is, it looks like they have to be separate.
Oh, man. Where's our port side port square going to be?
I keep trying to go down slightly and disabling my jetpack.
Yeah, you gotta... I was doing that heaps last time too.
Move forwards and then go down. So just go like that.
Okie dokie. Let's go and add a little bit more roof. Nope, that's the wrong type of roof. Hey, Kabak, is it okay if I put some roof blocks there?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
And I specifically haven't done anything there because I figured more work would be done.
Yep.
Are we sure we aren't building the H-tram?
Someone asked that last time. The squareness of it does sort of lean that way a little.
Yeah, I'm trying to break it up with some decorations.
Yeah, I thought that's kind of why I was hoping you'd do the outer hull, because I thought you'd have a decent chance at making that look a bit different.
I mean, it's a bit basic, but
But we also we're going to need more parts to get it much better, I think. Is part of doing the first mission.
Right, what are the other thrusters?
Atmospheric lift fan.
When function in space works underwater.
So this is going to be the forward back. Oh, actually, that's a bad idea. Don't do that there. Can I go down low enough if I crouch? Yes. Nice. Adding crouch is so helpful.
Yeah, well, that's not going to work. There's nowhere to attach the cables.
Is weight sum of attached blocks? Are they lighter if unwelded? Yes, they are lighter if unwelded. So the more we weld on this, the heavier it is going to be. But it's going to be good. It'll be fine. I don't know what you're all worried about. TFE will totally give us the controls we need to make things work.
Totally.
Hey, TFE, while you're messing with that, would you like me to add some more battery packs?
Sure.
Because we have 7 more. I'm not sure how far we'll make it with these ones. Nope. The output port. There it is. Just trying to help TFE with how long this takes to set up. I thought I'm not, which is to say trying not to take over, but just trying to help you get it actually done so that we can have a flight test, because we need your power system to do even the basic flight test. Okay. Can go to there. Can go to there.
Cool, okay, the power and data ports are accessible for the 4 lifting fans.
That remaining battery's up under the dash at the front.
Until Capac's immediately put a ramp over the top of it.
You two are so good at working together.
Capac, I need access to those
Really,
cable
it's really
ports.
a wonder to watch.
Capac muted?
I'm trying to figure out how to do things.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, if you keep that one in the middle, that'll work.
That sounded like some welding or rapid fire block placement.
Yeah, welding.
I'm just doing slap, 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 slap.
Actually, hang on, Capac, I can get port lined up correctly.
So remember, TFE, you need to plug in all of the different things.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds like you've got the appropriate level of fear about that. Great. Okay. I think I've done what I'm willing to do to help you. Although I should probably help you with the door. I mean, not to do that bit. Watching these people play your game must be an exercise in frustration. I can't imagine what it would be like to watch us play something you've spent so long on and put so much careful thought into, and oh, it must be it must be an experience.
Oh, dang it. The battery block, if the batteries were 1 block further that way, it'd be fine.
When you're placing cables, right mouse and you get... Oh, okay. I'll have to figure out how to do that in a sec.
Dang it, I'm gonna have to change that.
Oh, there we go.
I don't suppose there's a magic button unless you move all the batteries out 1 block.
Okay, Tiffy, what I've done for you is I've wired up these batteries and I've wired up the outside ports so you can rewire the... okay. I think I've understood the left-right mouse thing. I've wired up 6 batteries. I've wired up your outside ports. If you just got to wire them to the thrusters again. And you possibly need to remember that we need to access these controls here. These ports on these lift thrusters that you placed.
Yeah.
We need to get at all of them and get cables from them inside.
Gee, I tried it there, and then it's like, oh no, the battery's up against on the other side.
Yeah. Do you know how to remove a block?
Yeah.
You might want to remove it. Yeah.
Oh, and the cable.
Yep. But what you could do is see the junction boxes, how I've used them? You can use them like that on the outside, and you can just run all your cables on the outside if you want.
Yeah. Stick one on the side.
That won't upset Capac at all. Yeah, to be... I imagine the most stressful thing as a dev watching people play your game is when a bug happens. And I did that to Keen.
Oh yes, when you managed to turn something mobile while it was embedded in a...
Yep. I did that at their headquarters too.
So there was no hiding from it.
The looks of panic on some of the faces I saw around me was just like, ooh. Yeah, that happened. That definitely happened. Oops. Okay, so I need to get... So you play... How many lift thrusters, TFE?
4.
Okay.
As many as I can. Thank you, sir, for the tier 1. Thank you so much.
So, if that's the case, I need to get starter cables to those. If I do them first, they'll get in the way of TFE, and that means I don't have to deal with his power cables.
Why does it sound like you're intentionally trying to get him?
No, just that if I'm quick about it, I don't have to be the one who deals with the fact that there are cables already in the way. Yeah, I'm getting better at the cables. Yeah, the 3 data ports to 1 power port does make it work quite nicely for most of these things.
Sir Hammer Maniac, thank you for the... How many gift subs was that? 43. Oh, because I completed my sub goal of 97. Thank you so much, you maniac. I wondered why it was such a specific number.
Oh, that's not going to work.
Honey, if you're going to punch holes in my walls, at least fill them back in again afterwards.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Fix it.
That was not going to work. So let's try this again. Now, time to convince Rocket to include this cable management system in Stationeers. Yeah, I feel like this would be not a bad compromise between the Zoop automatic style and Stationeer's existing style. Place it till you get to a corner, tell it to turn, place till you get to a corner, tell it to turn, place it. It'd be a decent compromise. This does have some benefits over the Archean style, where I had to be no clipping through stuff just in order to place a lot of the cables.
Oh.
Which was great for hiding it, but man.
I keep getting confused thinking that's Splitsy when it's Capac. That's the colouring.
Surprised you don't keep getting confused that it's Thinking I'm Capac the other way around because I'm wearing orange.
Well, yeah, because I'd seen red. I'm like, oh, Splitsy's black. And wait, no, it's not.
Made a futuristic RV. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. So, TFE. Have you got power to all of the lift thrusters yet?
Not yet.
Okay. I think once you've got power to the thrusters, we should do a test flight.
Hmm.
I don't think it's going to go well, but I think
the
that's
fun
kind of
part.
the point. Oh man, I'm getting much better at cabling.
Yeah, it's definitely a very quick thing to pick up.
Well, now that I know to right mouse to do a turn, it's so much quicker.
It's pretty fast.
But having to grab the end of the cable every time I was doing it was definitely slowing me down. We're done. Oh, I've come out too far. Dang it. Actually make it to the wall.
Where's the... Oh, right, of course. The other power cable's up top because of how I did this.
Yeah, that works. Probably. Yes. I think that works. Thanks, Elemental. Thanks for the 100 bits. I don't remember whether there are any bridge bits. I was kind of doing this on purpose for the moment because it helps us trace where things are if everything's set up like that. But I don't actually remember. Yeah, let's go to there. Go to here. We're going to run out of cable. Just feel it now.
Hey, forward thrusters are linked up.
Which one do I want? Why am I like this? I'm hooking up to the wrong control, which means I gotta rip up this whole thing and go to the other side. But I don't want to rip up the... Actually, it might be quicker to rip up the whole link. Do that again. This one. Go to here. Yeah. What is Capac drawing on top of this?
Good question.
I love it, Capac. I love
What's
it.
he doing? Oh. Well, that's a lot more effective than painting the front of it.
That's so good. Nice one. Love it. I really like what you've done with this, Capac. It's simple, yet effective. I'm sure it'll totally be the right orientation for this way up arrow. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Kabak, are you happy with your shaping?
Yeah.
Would you like to be involved with making RCS thrusters? Because TFE still seems busy.
Yep, I'm still busy cabling.
Or do
Do
we
they-
want to just do a flight test now? Before we do that.
Well, we can blueprint it, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. What do we want to call this thing? This way?
Call it the this way round.
I'll remember to blueprint it at some other point, I'm sure. Probably. Oh, I need to set up a control for the door. So yeah, Capac, for the RCS thrusters, we actually need them placed in a way that they will apply force sensibly for the particular direction you're trying to make them apply force.
Do they need to be wired though?
No.
Okay, I can work on that then.
And I'll wire up controls from an RCS controller.
How many per direction?
Go with one per direction for now, but remember, you might need to actually think about where center of mass is. Because if it's off from that, it will create torque and roll and things in weird ways. So it matters.
Okay.
Okay, looks like I've got all the left-wing thrusters now powered on, plugged in.
Cool.
Cabling looks interesting in some bits.
I'm going to make a switch for the door.
What else do we need?
Is there a way to see center of mass?
H.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
And we weigh 11 tons, I guess
Fancy.
that's what that means. Oh, we're getting heavier.
Okay, and then where's the RCS thingy? This guy. Yeah, why not? Slap it on the roof. What could possibly go wrong with me cabling down in front of the the
Block the eyesight of the pilot.
Yep. Yep, that'll be fine. Definitely.
What about occluding the thrust?
That I didn't test.
Hmm.
Probably should have just gone the other way with the power cable, actually, now that I think about this. Do that?
Oh, no, that doesn't work.
I go like that. And then have these go straight.
Wait, so what's this hole at the top? Just being able to see above.
Skylight.
Ah.
It's Capac's sunroof.
It's a skylight you can't be sucked out of.
Hey, TFE.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, never mind. I'll sort it out. It's okay.
Oh, I thought there was something wrong with the cabling.
No. I was actually going to ask you to add an extra power cable for me to the ceiling.
Wait, why is there a... Oh, that's... Wait, that's an RC... Oh, the RCS thrusters. Like, why is it suddenly growing red?
Oh, we're going to be close to flight if Capac's gotten... because he's placed too many. If it's glowing red, he's placed too many. We don't have
What?
that many.
We don't have that many Capac.
Too many for what?
we don't have that many blocks. You
Yes,
have to
this is
remove some.
HTRAM 2.0. Although the landing legs would need to be a bit longer vertically.
Don't know which axis I've connected these to, and that's going to be half the fun for Capac to figure out.
Wait, is he going to have inverted controls or something?
I don't even know. I haven't even looked. I figure I'll fix it once he tells me which way they're wrong.
Why is there a red exclamation mark in the middle
Of what?
of the ship?
Oh, we've only got 180 data cables left as well. This can't get much bigger than this.
I think it might be where is that where the power cable ends? Yeah, that's where our power cable ends. I'm working on that, fixing that. It's all good. Don't stress. It's fine.
Wait, so how does RCS in the same direction as the big thrusters work?
I'm not sure what you're asking, Turfy.
He's gone
Wait,
mad.
was that something else?
So, TFE, do we have any reverse thrust?
No.
There are some thrusters that do give us front and back. You could swap out for.
I'm just confused as to why Capac had an RCS here that's facing the same way as the big thrusters.
Oh, because if you apply force there and only to that side, what's the ship going to do?
Ah,
Going to yaw.
going to do interesting things.
Well, it's going to yaw, whereas your thrusters aren't going to be independently controlled. The RCS ones will be.
Okay,
So if you
makes
place
sense.
one on each side, you'll yaw left and yaw right, as well as a bit of roll, because it's high. Did any of that make sense, TFE?
I think so.
Okay. Good enough.
So reverse thrust, right.
Yay, got rid of the exclamation. Yeah, center of thrust matters, and one of these thrusters I'm going to have to flick the switch on, and I don't know which. Let's flick that one and see what happens. Probably better to have them both doing the same thing at least.
Wait, these ammo fans... Oh, they do both forwards and backwards? Looks like it. They look
There
identical
are
at
ones
both
that
ends.
can do both,
Yeah.
yes. But the ones you placed are not those.
Yeah, the ones I placed, the more powerful ones, only go one way.
Yeah.
Cool.
So that, I mean, that means just Capac has to flare to slow us down. Because I can't slow us down. I can only speed us up. That's it. I got nothing else.
Let's see if I can find
Capac,
it.
you happy if I fill in the walls that are missing?
Yeah, I think we're getting to that point.
Sweet. So, I think once we've got these walls in place, we should give this a test flight. Because we've got a back door, so we won't be, even if it moves us around, we won't get sucked out the back. Probably. Probably.
Definitely.
Oops, that's not where I want that. Okay, welding up the outside.
Fuel.
What about fuel?
Frame quarter with pipe.
That's probably for thrusters that we're not using yet because we aren't going to space yet.
Well, we aren't planning to.
Well, I mean, we're planning to. We want to. Just not on this flight. Okay. Are you two ready?
Can you actually sit down in the seats?
Yeah, press and hold E. I think maybe only once we're actually flying.
Ah, it's probably not in flight mode. All right. Do we need a blueprint of this thing? So if it crashes, we've got a save version.
Yep. I have made a blueprint.
Cool.
Interior lighting.
We've just got our suits. That'll be good enough.
Yeah, but we'll get there eventually. All right. You two ready for this test flight?
Yep.
How do we close the door?
Oh, hang on.
Oh, we didn't label the.
We close the door by
levers.
flicking the switch.
Which lever is which?
It's not doing anything.
Yours is... Yeah, because we haven't started flight mode, remember?
No.
All right. I'm going to hold down R.
Oh.
What? What the?
Where's Kabak gone? Did Kabak get ejected? The skylight broke. Oh, and part of the cabling.
I'm so glad I stood outside for that.
What the? So.
Of course.
Okay. So, there are a couple of things you two need to
Oh,
learn.
the block wasn't welded on the inside.
Certain blocks need to be attached by certain faces. Glass blocks, there are certain faces, there are certain edges that are the only way they can attach. So good. So, I don't know why TFE's thrusters aren't attached though.
I did notice the block on the inside wasn't welded.
I don't think that matters. I'm not sure where you have to attach those blocks though.
I mean, I'm guessing the thrusters aren't attached on the outside with Kabak's cowling thing.
They just land hard enough to knock them off. Maybe?
But what about the bit inside?
Yeah, the Kabak's skylight fell
Well,
out.
yeah,
No,
'cause-
not that. The bit of electronics that fell off the ceiling.
Oh yeah, the purple cable or whatever it was.
What
Yeah,
fell
one
off
of
the ceiling?
these just fell off. I think that
Oh,
one.
I've got one of them back to front. That's why.
Yeah, my skylight is the least of our concerns if our thrusters and electronics are falling off.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, that's fixed.
Yeah, maybe we just. Is there a way to move the whole ship down?
Okay. Yeah, there is. I'm just trying to remember what it is. You press Control G. That's it.
Yeah.
Don't
What
stand
the-
underneath it.
No, I fell through the floor.
Oh. Probably because Flinty was moving it.
Yeah. There we go. All right. Are we ready to test again?
Yep.
Kawak, so your light, your skylight, did you change the glass type?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right. Let's have a look. Now. Oh, something else fell off.
Yeah?
Okay, maybe we should stand
TV.
outside when turning it into a ship. What's falling off?
Your power things fell off.
What? Why?
So these things have to be placed flat so that their power symbol is coming out from the wall. That is not attached to the wall, as it is.
Ow.
It needs to be placed.
Does that mean you could fix it by putting a...
Like that.
Oh, no, it's too big.
And how many more of those have you done?
I think that's... Oh, the other side as well, probably.
No, the other side's okay. Did the other side correctly. Geez, our cabling is weird. This is what you get for having... This is what happens when two people do that. Oh, the decisions he makes sometimes baffle the mind.
They baffle me.
Wouldn't you go across there and down? That cabling looks like a Win95 screensaver. No, the RCS don't have to be connected to anything.
Oh, what is this?
They're remotely controlled. Something Capac may have to do with the RCS is actually change the mode. Because there's your... I don't remember how to change it.
Okay. Everything's plugged in again.
That's right.
And is how things
there's
are
yaw,
correct
there's
on the
roll, and there's pitch. And he's got to set each one to do a particular job. And there's your A and your B. So, Capac, have you set up the RCS to do each individual job?
What? I've set up the RCS to be on the ship.
Okay. Where are you? Oh, you're over there? Come back here and tell me which RCS you want to do what. I'm at this one.
Okay.
What job do you want it to do?
Throw out chemicals at high speed to move the ship.
Roll, pitch, or yaw?
Roll, I guess.
Okay, so we'll set this one to be roll A. What about this one at the back here? I'm assuming it's yaw.
Yeah.
We'll set it to yaw A. Where are the other RCS thrusters?
Yes.
Presumably this one is yaw as well.
Yep.
Are there any others? Oh, there's one on the top. And then, what are these? Oh, you are gonna regret this so much. I love it. Or roll B. Capac, what is this one doing?
What one?
You come up on the roof. What are these two meant? Like, this one's presumably roll. What's this one doing?
I don't know. I just tried to put one in each direction.
Well,
I'm so glad
that he's the pilot.
That Capac's the pilot. So we'll call this pitch.
And it wouldn't let me put enough to put them in pairs, which is what I wanted to do.
How many have you placed?
There should be 6.
Yeah. There are 3 axes. Pairs.
They're a bit... Not pairs per.
Yeah, but you don't have that, so you got to place them around the center of mass. That's why you asked.
Yeah, well, it is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like Reggie's trying to get your attention, Splitsy.
Yep. I think I'm gonna have to pay attention to him for a second. All right, you ready for another test?
Honestly, should we be standing outside with how often stuff's falling off?
Nah.
Oh. Just press the
What the?
Close the door. All right.
Why's the music gotten all serious all of a sudden?
You have the music on?
Yeah, I usually turn mine off. Capac, you're at the middle control. TFE, you're at the left control. I'm at the right control. TFE is left. Capac is steer. I am throttle.
So I go first?
Yeah. We want to take off, don't we? Oh.
Whoa! Oh, no! Oh, no.
Well, that went well.
That worked. The arrow's still intact. That's something.
So, anyone got an idea why we went randomly spinning?
Yep, your RCS thrusters.
I didn't do anything with them.
Yes. Apparently so.
So, I'm going to guess. This is my guess. Did you touch the joystick at all, Capac?
A very small amount.
Okay, yeah. So, we'll fix this in a minute. I want to get a... Can you just stand in front of the wreckage for a second?
Yeah. Why? Is the thruster still running?
Capac, come over here.
Oh, I can hear it all janking.
Thumbnail materials. Yeah, so I reckon it's just the RCS are just terribly placed. So you're going to need to investigate where to better put them. And once they're in better spots, I might be able to figure out how to improve your controls for them.
What?
But while you're figuring that out, I'm going to take a quick bio break and I will be right back. While I leave you guys in the capable hands of probably silent Capac and TFE.
Station is difficult. We're busy concentrating. Isn't that right, Capac?
Is that it, is it?
Yeah. Well, I know it is for me. Today, Capac agrees.
I deny everything.
Even your own existence?
Yep, especially.
Right, time to... Wait, our only paint options are grey and grey. Oh, this is why Splitsy likes the game so much. Explains everything. Yes, the front fell off and then some. There's a lot more than when Splitsy just ejected the window.
See, I told you neither of them would be talking.
Hey, I was talking, you just happened to... I mean, you missed the bit of... I figured out why you like this game so much.
What?
The only two colour options are light and dark grey.
That's not true. I wanted more colours, but you unlock them as you get further. We'll get red soon.
Ooh.
Well, maybe. So, Kabak, thinking about your issues with the RCS, you're having the exact same issues that I had when I first set them up. And that's what's making it so funny. That we both think about these things in such a similar way and run into the exact same problems. I'm only giving the other two grief about how quiet they are because I was talking about it the other day.
Yes, I saw that. It's tricky, because you don't want to just... I mean, I suppose you could just talk about random nonsense, but knowing what me and Capac are like from AA, I'm not sure Splitsy wants that.
You do get political really quickly.
What?
Would you rather we talked about Mass Effect?
More satirical, no, Star Wars.
Kabak, can you talk about Mass Effect without you getting somehow reaching a point where you get political?
Yeah.
Press F to doubt.
So what I'm hearing is I should stream Mass Effect soon, so whenever Splitsy asks what I'm doing next, Capac can be really annoyed.
Yeah.
What, so Capac needs to talk about quantum physics or something that's not quite so controversial.
So, what have you done? Have you done anything with the thrusters, Kabak?
Yeah, I'm working on them. Yeah.
Okay. Might check my might check my thing. See what I've done with your controls that may have made them worse. Which control is actually going where? The roll is connecting to...
Don't tell me one of them's reversed.
I actually didn't get this wrong. Weird. Cool. Well, see what happens.
How are you doing these connections?
So the RCS thing's up here on the roof, and I wire the 3 cables to the 3 cables of this joystick. That's it.
How do you know which one's on which thruster?
So you assign it on the thruster. There's a little dial on the thruster that you can grab with right mouse, and then move your mouse around and it'll change what it's set to. So for your left, it'd be like your A, your right would be your B. And if you find that they're inverted when you get to control them, you need to swap the RCS thrusters around.
Right, well, that's...
I suppose I could also take off a bit more slowly than we did last time.
Yeah, you have to get the universal greetings spelled correctly if you're going to get a response from the robot.
So did you actually adjust any of the thrusters before? Because
Yes.
these are all on your A.
Yeah, because you moved them. You moved them, so now they reset. Your A is the default.
Alright, those are on roll.
Oh yeah, both of Kabak's pitch ones are pitch up. Because he's got one pointing down at the front and one pointing up at the back.
What?
And they should... So this RCS thruster, this is your pitch one, correct?
Yep.
Yep, you've got someone doing the exact same job at the front. How do you pitch down? You want to push down at the back and push down at the front, or push up at the front and push up at the back. You need them pushing the same direction but in a different location. Do you want some help?
Just give me some wings. I can do wings.
Just glide.
All right, let me help. I'll call that pitch A, and we'll call this one pitch B. No, at some point, Kabak's frustration will
Overload?
yeah, and I think with his computer failing on startup today, it was probably not. Where's your other roll, RCS thruster, Kabak?
Underneath. What the?
And they're doing the same job as well. Gotcha. That way.
Oh geez, I didn't realize how close those thrusters were to being below the landing things.
B. This one should be roll A.
Wait, is there a limit to how far you can paste up? You can basically do a crash test.
You can do a crash test, yes. Would you like to?
Sure.
I'll do.
I mean, me do it or you?
No.
Yeah. It's just so fun.
Satisfied?
Yeah. Very satisfying.
Okay, so this bottom RCS is going to break the frame. Oh, interesting. That'll be fun to find out how badly that goes. And you've done have you done the yaw ones, Kabak?
I haven't done nothing.
That means
That's
you
your
have.
A. Nope, he's done every single RCS thruster. The pairings were doing the exact same job as each other. Cool, good to know. So Kabak's not understood something here, and I don't know how to articulate it in a way that he does understand it. But we are ready to do another test. Thanks, Louis. Thank you for the 245 rainbow unicorns. Technically, if you only have pitch up, it will eventually pitch down. Yes. 3 lefts make a right.
Why do I keep falling through the floor?
Because
he's moving it.
I'm moving the thing, and when I move it, it becomes like a hologram. All right, are you guys ready?
I'm tempted to stand
Let's do
outside
it.
in case it blows up again. Oh, that didn't sound good.
Something fell off. What fell off?
What did we lose?
Or was it just the sound of all the things hitting the ground?
Might have been. That looks good.
Let's just reset.
Let's stand outside.
Yeah. I didn't hear anything drop off that time, did you?
No.
Huh.
Cool.
Okay, well, winning. I'm just going to stop and blueprint. Sorry, one last time. I don't think we needed to do that, but just in case.
Alright. I know how there's no character collision yet. I still waited for you.
Wait.
Okay.
Take
So,
off
TFE,
gently.
fly us up a little bit. We can. And hopefully Capac will be able to control the joystick once we get some altitude. Pitch us back, Capac.
That's not.
Nothing is happening.
We're hitting the satellite.
No. Why is nothing happening?
Oh.
Oh, wait. Okay, it's reversed to what I thought it was going to be.
Okay, so we need to fix that. Cool. I guess let's go faster.
I've almost been ejected.
Oh, did we just lose our thrusters?
Possibly.
Probably. Okay. Well, we know one control is inverted, so I can fix that. That was pitch was inverted correctly. Is that correct, Capac?
Pitch was reversed to what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. Okay, a fixed pitch. Now we can check roll. And the other ones.
Oh yeah, is the ice cream powered? No. It's not plugged in.
All right,
Oh well.
let's close the door just in case. Can you pull us back, Capac? Yeah, that's working. Nice. Now, can you turn us? Can you apply some yaw? Oh yeah. And now can you do some roll with while you're holding down right mouse, can you press Q and E?
Nope.
Whoa,
Oh
what
dear.
the?
We just lost something. Abandoned ship.
Now, before it all went wrong, was
Oh.
it going the way you expected?
I have no idea.
Oh,
It started
damn.
freaking out the second I hit roll. I see blackness.
Yeah.
Well, hold down R. Okay, so
Something
I
fell
think-
off?
Yeah, I was waiting for that to happen because I knew it was going to. It's the thruster underneath just cooked the frame. We need to pop it out on a frame so it gets clearance. But I thought it'd be funnier to wait till it happened.
Of course you did.
What?
So funny.
It is. Yes, Smackhead. Reggie doesn't care about anyone's chat but mine, because it's not set to watch anyone's chat but mine, so that's why you're not getting replies. Because I don't think... Relay. I don't think I can even set up the bot to care about shared chat. I love dropping you through the floor, Cameron.
How rude. What the?
Phased him into it.
All right, let's go. We should be able to actually do this time.
Unlikely story.
Okay. Here we go. Up we go. That's going well.
So where are we going?
Well, for the moment, just try and fly, and then you two come in for a landing, because I don't think I've got much to do, to be honest.
We just lost something. I just saw something fall off and hit the ground.
Oh.
We lost a bit of frame.
Yeah. I wonder what that did.
We seem to be falling.
Why are we going back? I'm at maximum lift, and it's almost not enough.
Did we lose one of the thrusters?
Yeah.
Possibly.
What is that?
No.
Oh, you have now.
Well, yeah, because I've hit the ground.
I think it might have just been a loose block somewhere. Like that wasn't actually attached to our ship.
'Tis but a scratch.
Yeah, the lift thrusters might need to be moved. The forward ones might need to be moved further forward or more added in front, because the lift, we're definitely getting pitch with lift.
We don't have any more lift ones.
Oh, we've only got the 4? Okay, so if we move them forward, we should be able to hopefully balance that out a bit better.
I need to lift everything up.
Yes. Maybe if we put them on the outside.
I was going to say you could take out these corner blocks of this window and tuck them in behind the landing gear. Like there and there.
No, because we won't be able to wire them there.
Just wire them through the cockpit. Where are the wires for them now?
Outside. What I was thinking was, instead of that, let me find the fans. And put them here. Like that.
Now, so keep the existing 2 at the front.
No.
Oh, that's in the middle.
Keep the existing 2 at the back.
I'll move the other
get rid of
ones
the middle
forward.
2. Yeah, moving the forward ones forward, because we're pitching nose down, so we need to move the thrust forward. We could drop the gear down a block, I guess, as well, to give us a bit more safety on landing. But we actually don't even need to put these up this high. We can put them there. They can move up a block, and you can still access the inputs.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah, Capac's giving us longer legs. I'll help cable up this side. See if he does the other side. And then we find out that this is actually too far forward, so then we'll move it back. But I figured if we put it in these little nooks on the side anyway, we should have the ability to adjust their positioning until Capac doesn't have to constantly fight the tilt that they're inducing.
Constantly fighting the tilt is what I have to do on all of these streams.
Oops.
Those all level? Yep.
I just need to rearrange some of the blocks, because
Why
otherwise
isn't
it's
that
not going to be
attaching to that block.
supported.
Why is that cable not supported? Don't understand. It's weird, right?
I do
Oh,
need a
glass
Pan-Galactic
sides
Gargle
can't
Blaster.
support the thing, that's why. Alright, so we'll do this. Then fine. Okay.
I was gonna say, yeah, where's the data port on this side? Oh wait, no, it goes over there, okay.
Well, the cable's already there, so you should just join the cables. Oops. Love that we're finding out things to discover. When the developer of the game says, "Huh, I didn't realize that either." The fun of watching other people play your game is that you discover things that you're like, "Oh, that's how someone else thinks." Everyone thinks differently. Can you do me a favor and say hi, Maddox, please? There you go. Hi.
Why would I say hi, Maddox, please? It's a weird thing to say.
Some people think wrong, yeah, like me.
Some people think wrong. Oh, TFE. All right, should we give this a go?
Hang on, I'm just doing the last data cable.
Ugh, now that we got ugly thrusters bolted onto the sides, bare wiring going everywhere.
Oh yes, this was such
already bare wiring.
yeah, this was
going
such a
everywhere.
good-looking ship before.
Just there's more bare wiring now.
Okay.
The thruster effect makes it look like TFE's working a lot harder than he is.
Okay, yep. Data port's all plugged in, it's welded up, so we shouldn't be getting ejected.
Ow!
Did you just squish him?
Yes.
Monster.
All right. Everyone hop in.
Ow!
Oh yeah,
What's that
blueprint.
noise?
What is that? Yeah, I did.
Wait, why is there a hole in the wall here?
I thought I welded
Where?
that. Oh, I welded the outside. But whatever, it's the outside's still welded, it's fine.
All right. Let's try and fly. Let's see if we need to improve things.
I'm gonna get sucked down a hole.
Oh my gosh, look at that! It's actually almost staying level.
Why am I drifting sideways?
We're drifting forwards a bit.
Yeah, we've still got a little bit of pitch wrong, but it's better. Here we go. We'll go forward a lot. Does that make you feel better?
Yeah, but I can't. Oh, it's because we're getting sucked through the hole.
Oh. Can't. Oh.
Also, I think the thrusters might be wrong. I might need to flick one of them. Because the thrusters are making us spin. Oh dear. We hit a tree.
No,
Where are we going now?
I can save it.
I'm trying to control it.
Alright, I've turned off the forward thrust. That might help.
Jesus, thrusters are loud. Ow. Yeah, I'm getting pulled back towards the hole.
I'll just chill here.
It's sort of working.
Wait. Yeah, that's right.
Can you?
Oh, it's all up to get back now. We're strapped in and ready to go.
What if we can survive the crash being seated? Oh, we can adjust the FOV. Cool. Mouse wheel.
Yeah, I don't think I can control the things from here, though.
No, it's too far away.
Oh no, I can. Just reach it.
Splitsy, is just me, is the door open?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is that why we're having such...
No, I just opened it.
Oh, what? Kavak, be careful.
Oh, the batteries are loose. Bye.
Yep. Oh, yep, the batteries have freed themselves. Oh, no. No, I'm being pulled out. Well.
Capac's alone in there now?
Yep.
I can see TFE shimmering distant to it.
No, my jetpack's not powerful enough.
We must have damaged some things when we hit those trees earlier on. Oh, down we go. Well, I'm ready to reset. Now back.
See you later, suckers.
It's a cartwheel down a
Too
mountain.
far from Captain. What? How rude.
Sucker. Okay,
Amazing.
so one of these needs to get flipped. Which way did we start spinning? Was it a yawing left or yawing right?
Okay. The block has been welded up.
Okay. Normal input.
Alas, poor yawing. I knew him well.
Reversed input. Oh wait, no. Both should be normal on those ones because those ones don't have the reversible thrust. Ah. We'll be fine. Okay. I think we should be good. Why do we have this beam in the middle of our roof?
Because it's where the... what's the name?
Nothing's
cables-
attached to it anymore.
I know, because it changed, but it's just gotten left there.
Okay. More headroom.
So I can weld up the interior to make it look nice.
And you're just adding weight for no reason?
Ah. Well, that makes it more
Let's
stable.
go. Oh wait, hang on. We need something. There's something else we actually need. We
What?
need a radar.
Well, we need to...
So we
we
know
also,
where we're going.
do we also need to plug the freezer in if we're going to use it?
Well, the freezer's not on this mission.
How do we put labels on these things?
I don't know. You find out.
Lock. Wait, what was the mission to bring up... not the mission. What was the button to bring up the mission list?
Oh.
Oh, not I, yeah. Oh, we get cameras, shoreline.
Where should I put the radar? On the wall? Actually, I don't have much to do, so I may as well have the radar, I guess. Power cable. Let's...
Oh, okay. Which one's up and which one's forward?
You need to use more words, Capac, because I don't know what you're talking about.
The controls, which one's up and which one's forward?
Up is on the left.
TFE is up on the left. I didn't know what you were talking
Spin.
about. How am I going to get to the bottom of that? I'm going to have to cut a hole in the floor.
Ah!
Why did you... What's has been pointed out, Splitsy, you're making yourself the navigator.
Uh-huh.
Sure.
You guys didn't dispute it, so it's happening.
It took a moment for the horror to kick in.
You guys let me be the one who's going to be in control of the thrust that controls going forward, so yeah.
I suppose we can't exactly have Capac as part and navigating.
I mean, we could. Like, it... So, for those who might play this single player, you can map all of these controls to WASD, QE, etc., to basically anything you want. We're not doing that because this gives us something fun to do with the three of us doing stuff together. So that's the only reason we're not doing that. What we could do if we had 3 seats is like TFE could map his WS to go up, go down, or space C, and that's the only map that he's got, and he controls that one. But I don't know how that, I don't actually know if that works. if once we map it. So we're just leaving it as is. All right, you guys ready? We should have a radar this time. We need to head to Lost in Transit, which we should see on the radar once we go. All right. That's my brightness. What just broke off? Did everyone hear that?
Yeah, I did.
I wonder if there's just a random block one of us has placed somewhere.
Why have these 2 blocks from the ramp just discombobulated?
Oh, that's what's...
Oh, maybe that's what we're dropping each time. Are they not connected to anything? Probably not.
They were connected to the bottom of the ramp. They were between 2 other blocks.
Yeah, but I don't know.
That's fine. They're not needed.
I say it's Splitsy's fault. Are we taking off or what?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm just setting up my radar. Don't forget, yep, close the door. Let's go.
Oh, right, I've made the ship heavier, haven't I?
Oh, you think it's the RCS thruster breaking the ramp? Ah, could be that. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of go forward so that I can figure out which way forward is on the radar. Not working. I can't tell.
Wait, is the radar not on?
Radar's on. No, I can't tell which way we're
Isn't
going.
that the objective over there to the left? Wait, it's just flipped? What?
Yeah. Did you just play with some of the controls?
No, I just looked at it. I didn't touch anything.
Huh. It just flipped again.
Just did it again. That's going to make it more challenging.
Gonna make it very challenging.
It looks like we're heading the right way.
Well, I don't know which way is the right way because I can rotate the image.
Come
back.
I mean, had the destination be up, I guess?
But why are we rolling?
That's a good question.
Probably because there's some degree of roll from something that we apply. Okay, Kabak, can you turn so that DFV, we're going down?
Yeah, I'm going up at maximum power. It's not enough.
Oof.
That's right, we didn't need that radar.
Oh,
It wasn't working
still
anyway.
aboard.
Oh, that could have gone better. Maybe we won't get onto the moon mission today. All right, let's try that again.
Wait, so which bit of the ramp was falling off?
So this thruster that's pushing down is blasting a hole in the ramp.
It knocked out the blocks underneath.
Probably because maybe they're weaker, so it knocks them out first.
Wait, so those 4 in between?
It's all right. I've moved the thruster, so it shouldn't do it anymore. Yep. Could I point them both up? Oh, yeah, I could have. Oh, well. Underneath looks fine. Oh, the top block is placed on the ones underneath it, so they all break, but these ones stays behind because it's still gravity's still holding it in place. That makes sense. That makes sense. B set everything. Okay. Let's give this another go. Pilot. Pilot. We'll leave that at 0 and see what happens. Other pilot?
I was waiting to
FE?
see it smash into the ground.
Oh, right. You're saying on the outside to the left.
Yeah, looks
Cool.
good.
All right. So, Capac, can you see the radar at the moment?
No.
You move back. Can you see it?
Yeah, if I walk backwards and levitate, I can see it. But then I can't control anything.
Yeah. Okay. So, according to, if the orientation of the radar is correct, which I don't think it is, we need to do a 180 to head towards our objective. Our objective is the box.
What do these dials do? 46, 43,
So one does
60,
brightness, one does rotation, and one does zoom.
So it's connected to power. Does it have a data connection?
No, it just is.
Right, are we ready?
Yeah, let's do this. So, Capac, try and turn us 180 once you get to altitude.
Okay.
I'll let you know when you're close to the mark. So what I want is up equals forward. The TV, you've actually got a really difficult job that you're going to have to work with Capac to sort out.
What?
So that you actually keep us going up, because he needs to keep us level enough, and he has to do that by eyeball, because we don't have an artificial horizon. About another 10 degrees, Capac. That's good. Okay, now take us forward.
And I need to give us a bit more lift. We're not going to clear those mountains.
You're on forward.
Well, I thought you might pitch us.
Pitch us forward.
We
Madness.
It's a helicopter.
You're a helicopter.
I find this glass floor very disconcerting.
Well, it's very helpful when we're landing. Okay, I'm thinking we're going exactly the wrong way.
What?
But you said
You
180.
told us to go this way.
Yeah, I needed to figure out what the heading was.
So you want me to turn around?
Yes, turn around, please. Helicopter, quadcopter, tricopter, whatever. Fine.
Definitely not a tricopter.
It might be if we hit the ground wrong. We are flying, and so come back. The objective is now at probably 10 o'clock, almost at 11 o'clock. We are very tilted. Let's roll. Still got another 15 degrees, 20 degrees. Yes, there is a faint beep every time the radar shifts. That's true. All right, I'm going to give us some go forward. I'm going to give it a lot.
Yeah, go for it.
Got a fair bit of altitude. Hey!
This flight looks stable almost.
See, we can do things. I have no idea how much power we have left after that.
Oh yeah, is there any way of checking the
delay there.
batteries?
Not with these ones, no.
Oh wait, hang on, there's a little bar on them?
Does that tell us anything?
It's like a Space Engineer style one almost. Is it?
Oh yeah, it is. So, okay, we can directly read them. Cool. TFE, as our altitude controller,
Mm.
please don't run too far from the controls. Okay. How about, can you give us about another 10 degrees left? 10 degrees to port? Yeah, that's pretty good. Hold there.
We getting close?
We're getting closer. Not close, though. Just closer. So we've never landed this successfully, have we?
No.
We have to land it, pick up the objective, and then take it back home. But we don't have to land it on the way back home.
Well, just dump it out the window as we fly past.
Pretty much. Alright, zooming in a bit further.
But when I walk forwards, it's fine.
Yeah, when
When
you
I
walk backwards, you just take off.
I levitate into the air.
Yeah, why is it?
You can walk. I think
just look up.
that's because our craft is not actually level.
Okay, I can
you
do it by
also need
looking
to-
up as well.
But why
You
is
just
it
need to
only
be
doing
level.
it when I walk backwards.
Because you're always looking down a little bit.
Okay,
Okay,
look up the ceiling.
We are getting close. We're getting close, pilot. Need to still turn to port 45. That's starboard. Port 90.
We're on a ship.
Yeah, just say left and right. It's easier.
Well, easy doesn't always make fun. Okay. We're probably we're almost close enough that we could just try for a landing. But
Okay.
yeah, we still need to go left 90 and then forward a little bit. The way this is going, it would be a riot seeing them try to pilot Voltron.
What, mech battles with this?
I've always wanted to do this sort of control scheme with multiple people because it is the whole keep talking and nobody explodes thing that's quite fun.
Right, should we start going down a little bit?
Well, for some reason, even though Capac has turned left, it's still to our left.
Is the radar broken?
Can
No.
anybody see it yet?
Well, we're way too high up.
Yeah,
It's a
I
tiny
need to go
little box
down.
that will fit inside our ship.
Yeah,
How about you just drop altitude and then we'll
Yeah.
see.
So 46
Although,
appears to be
Capac,
almost
we are
level?
drifting right. So I think part of it is we might have a bit of roll to the right.
I don't know which way is level, so it's...
I know, that's why I'm trying to give you extra information. I think we're also pitching forward slightly. So, can you guys look through the floor?
I can, yeah. Oh, I see grass. I see trees.
Our package, I think, is...
Is it
I
so
can't
close
really
to us the
describe
radar's
it,
getting
it's all
confused?
so rough. No. The radar's really good. It's really accurate. Tiffy, get ready to slow us down.
Oh, I see palm trees.
Yeah. So, Kabak, if you stand where I was and have a look at the radar, you can get a bit of an idea of where we are in relation to the box that's in the upper left quadrant. That's where we're trying to get to. And it's just been staying there because I think we've been circling it. How's that power situation going? Yeah. It'll be fine. We'll totally make the return trip on less power than it takes us to get out here. Uh-huh. Anyone spot it? Through the floor or anything?
Nope.
No, I think let's level off and we'll try and get closer on the radar because I think we're still too far away to see it. All right, Kabak, can you turn 45 left?
That seems a bit far.
No, looking at... Just trust me, would you?
But if we don't move forward, it's going to take it off the display.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. I'm going to wait till it's actually lined up before I do any go forward.
It looks like we're as level as I'm going to get it.
Oh, that's good, TFE. You're doing quite well. You're doing better than I was doing.
It does help it's only one thing to worry about.
And it does. All right, I'm going to do some go forward. Remembering that I have no ability to turn it off, so Capac has to do it all. Alright, we're getting closer.
Don't see anything.
Still getting closer. Alright, I'm turning that off. Almost got the radar at max zoom, and it's still on the screen, still directly ahead. Okay, max zoom. Capac, see if you can pitch back to slow us down.
I see it.
Alright, so don't pitch forward. Oh, yep, seeing it. I seen. Yep, that's where we got to get to.
Again, lowering.
Capac, see if you can bring us to a halt. I'll let you know when it's beneath us. Oh, it's all that TFE's brought us down. So, oh yeah, I can see it.
No, I'm not bringing it
Stop
down.
the TFE, stop
Too fast.
I didn't change the setting from where it had been hovering before.
But you need to watch the
I did.
altitude. We were falling for ages.
Right, why are we going up?
Because we've lost our forward thrusters. They both broke off, and TFE ran away from his control. That's why we're going up.
So, another successful
Oh, now that we're
mission.
lighter, I've got to bring the thrusters down further to land.
Ah, you can press Control F, and there's a beacon. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
The beacon that I just placed? Yes, I can see it. Oh, there's a hole in the wall.
Oh, good job. Oh, TFE. This is where the ground approaching rapidly can be a problem. This is probably close enough. I think we should just try and land.
Oh, I can see our bits on the ground.
Yeah, I have no controls now because both my thrusters are gone. Oh,
That's right,
fast.
everything's about to be gone. That's
So this is a very yo-yoing technique.
5 of our 6 landing gear on the ground right there.
Yep. Okay, TFE. Turn it right off. Okay. Since I've got no other job, I'll go get the package. Oh man, it's so far away. Oh. We need to get closer. This is so far. We could revert before TFE did the damage, but... where's the fun? Yet. But yeah, there is a cool feature where we can roll back in time to various autosaves along the route so that we don't have to, so that we can undo mistakes like that if we need to, without having to roll back all the way to launch and redo things, which is really nice. One of the things I will say, Lucas is the dev, I will say about this game, you've done a very good job of making failure as painless and as entertaining as possible. Because if we didn't have all these revert options, I think the pain of failure would be possibly a bit too high. But the balance there, the making failure fun is done very nicely.
So, what if there's a lion?
What, in the box?
Then we need to run faster than you.
You guys are ahead of me.
Yeah. And if we outrun you, you get eaten, and it's satiated, and then we get in the ship.
Wait, which way's the ship?
Not the Bloom Beacon.
Oh, that's mine.
Is that it? Came all this way for a cardboard box?
Yeah.
Very important cardboard box.
It's got parts that we need for making the next trip.
Oops.
It's an important box full of important parts. Smash.
I get rid of that beacon. Oh, there we go.
No, the engines that would need the landing gear are not the ones that fell off. The engines that fell off are the ones that allow us to go forward. So Capac's actually going to have to give us
Tilt.
forward momentum by using pitch
So
and telling
we're
TFB
never
to
gonna
up
make
his
it
thrusters.
home.
That'll be fun.
There is hard mode. You will get full star for completion mission only if you have not used the time revert, and half star if you've used. Ah, cool. This is going to be an interesting takeoff. And travel.
Instant front flip and land again.
Well, we should have a check at the batteries as well, because I'm pretty sure we've used up more than half our power. But remember, we don't have to land. We just have to fly over the objective at the other end. Get back.
Well, just walk back with the box.
You can do that as a 12-hour stream. I will not. You two in? Okay.
Oh. Can the box kill us if it slides into the front of the ship?
It won't.
Oh, that's why the ice cream freezer is there. It's to protect us.
All right. As Capac gets a drink.
We ready for liftoff?
Yep. So we should need to go basically mostly forward.
Capac, do you want more propulsion?
Yes, all.
Full propulsion then.
And I need a heading.
Oh, no. We need to... Oh, we tilted past 45, so the heading's confused. You need to get us level. Otherwise, I can't tell you our heading. Yep, there we go. Okay. Heading is 2 o'clock.
So we're going the right way.
No, we need to go to 2 o'clock.
We're tilting again.
But every time you tilt past 45, the radar gets confused, so I
Yeah.
can't tell you then.
I have to pull back on the power so we don't just tilt over.
Package has weight, but does not affect center of mass yet? Question mark. Are we getting closer?
Oh, no, it looks like
Yeah, we're
Capac
getting
can do it.
closer.
It's very weird.
Oh, yeah, looking down and seeing sky is a bit disconcerting. Totally a thing.
Yeah, looking out the front and seeing the normal terrain. Which I suppose is a good reference.
Your heading's pretty much perfect, Kabak. Somehow. So glad I put a glass floor in. Yep, that's gonna be fine. Totally fine.
It's surprisingly stable flying like this.
Why is our radar saying it's behind us now?
Because you're past 45 degrees tilted, so it confuses the radar. There's a switch on the wall. Push it.
No,
Push it.
I continue.
Push it. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me.
It'd be funny if the box could hit the button.
Can you see the home base, Kabak? Yet? When you... Is it... It is concerning
I see
when
it.
I can't see the pilot.
I can see it through the front windscreen.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, I
There you
see
go.
it.
You've got a heading. You did pretty well with the angle.
I'm worried about how coming to a stop is going to work.
I'm less worried if you two can do a flyover.
We'll dump you out with the package as we fly.
No, it'll do it like MES would.
Actually, yeah, how are we for battery power?
You don't want to know.
I think I do. if I need to be
No,
landing soon.
you don't want to know.
Can't.
Actually, really hard to get back there. We're about 20.
I'm gonna need some of that
TFE,
trust.
stop going away from your control.
So we're going down now?
Yeah, you need to get close, and you need to not crash before then. Can I see? Okay. Objective is right and behind. It's at about 5 o'clock.
Wait, apparently we're being told as long as the package is delivered, it's fine, so we can crash into a landing
Yes.
pad.
Yeah, but we need to get there. Right and behind us.
Not turning.
Oh, don't tell me the RCS have run out of power.
No, I think the turn left might be dead. Because I can turn right, but not left.
Yep, they do run out of charge.
I'm also at maximum lift, and we're still going down.
Kabak, you might want to level this off, because which is
We are
roll right.
level.
No, we're not.
Level-ish.
The horizon is a distinct tilt. Okay, there we go. Need a door to lock the pilot in the cockpit. Yeah, agreed. Well, this is fun. There is an artificial horizon. I don't think we've got one in the
I think we unlock it for doing this mission.
Yeah, you get it from this mission. I don't think Capac needs it. What I'm curious about is, how do we know? Oh yeah, Capac, look at your RCS on the ceiling. You have lost power on one of them.
Yep, I'm not an ambi
Or you've
turner.
lost it. Who's fallen off?
How long? I need to know how long we've gotten power for how aggressive the
don't.
maneuvers I'm making.
No, you don't. We just need to get back. You need to focus on your task. If power goes out, power goes out. We're just trying to get there as well as we can. Kabak's doing his best.
Give me some up thrust. Help.
Maximum power.
No, not maximum.
I was already at 50. More is 100, basically. It's on 70.
Well, we're getting
now.
closer. You're doing well. We are approaching the thing.
Knowing us, we'll hit the satellite dish. Wait, Kevin can operate from that far back?
I'm waiting every second for your power to go off. Well, yeah, I'm presuming he's standing that far back so that he can see out the windows, both floor and forward. Oh, that's a lot of tilt, Kabak. That's a lot of tilt.
It's fine.
We're almost directly over it.
We've overshot.
What's the up thrust at the moment?
Oh, we've got yellow on some of the more of the RCSs now.
Yep, Kabak, you have to do less aggressive maneuvers. You're gonna run out.
Well, you're gonna have to reduce thrust then, because we're...
Okay. Reducing to 25%.
Okay, let me know when you're overhead it.
We're overhead now.
Right now?
Yep.
Yes, go.
Okay. No, we're not!
No, we're not. Oh, it's pulled me out from the controls.
Well, I just got sucked out the back door.
Oh, great. So it's just me, and it's gonna crash.
Did the
Oh, no.
package make it?
Dang it! I'm now gonna somehow press the button to close the door without getting sucked out.
I was literally trying to drop the thing. Did it complete?
I can't get back to the controls. Close the door. I'm doing the equivalent of the movie thing where they're holding on. Ugh.
Yes, we rewind time.
What the? I've closed the door and I still can't move back forwards.
That was a singularly bad idea.
Wait, what?
Where are we?
We were about to time. Bring us to Capac, gentle maneuvers and let TFE control our altitude. Level us off. TFE, you've got to control our altitude and bring us down.
Yeah.
Because we are close. You are taking us up. And Capac, you just need to keep us level. And we are not currently level. We are pitching forward quite a bit. Capac, that's better. TFE, bring us down.
Yeah.
Not that fast. Keep some thrust on. You will accelerate much quicker than you think. Because we are going down really fast, TFE. You need to slow us down. Capac, pitch up. More pitch up. More lift.
Lift is at maximum.
Okay, ease it off. And now let us go down again a bit further. Okay. Maybe taking us up still.
I know. Problem is then I drag it too far and we start absolutely plummeting.
Yeah, so you just need to ease off until you see us start to fall, and then you're like, okay, then I can just bring it up a little bit when I need to slow us down again. Capac, it's back and to our right. Once we get closer to the ground. Okay, TFE, see if you can hold us at a hover. We're coming down very quickly. Nice. Nice. Much better, TFE. That was heaps better. All right, Capac, you should be able to direct us. We basically need to do a 180, Capac. Because we're going up again. TFE, going too much up. TFE, do you need me to tell you because you can't see our altitude?
Yeah, it's difficult to judge from the windows.
Well, I've been judging it out the floor.
Yeah, I've been looking at the floor and the... Oh, why are we tilting sideways?
Capac, that's a lot of
how
roll.
you turn.
Capac, we need to
Capac,
be...
that's too much roll.
That's too much.
Oh, nice save, TFE. Okay. Small movements from here. Small movements, people. Come on. You guys have this. You got this.
I'm worried about the buildings around the place.
Don't worry about the buildings. Just keep us at about this altitude, TFE.
Yeah.
And Capac, probably don't tilt too much forward in this because you're running out of pitch, RCS. I mean, Lowen, at this point, it does feel like only one of us can see or has any sense of orientation. And it's me, which isn't great.
That's fine, we're just landing like a plane.
All right, Capac, you can probably level off here and just...
No! The power.
My timing! My timing! It continues. I survived and you both died.
Well, you can walk back to base with it.
Maybe. It's not far.
Oh, we can't spectate you.
The package is intact. Do you want me to do this or do we want to rewind time again?
I mean, if it's close enough, it won't take like 30 minutes.
I don't think it'll take 30 minutes. Probably about as far as we had to walk before.
Oh, well, that'll be fine.
Oh, pancakes. Oh, pancakes.
Man. Not a bad landing, you two.
Yeah, generally I prefer it when my controls don't just die on approach.
Well, I don't know how we get more control without using up our RCS batteries, but yeah, we've got to be aware that our RCS is going to run out and not do too aggressive maneuvers early on, I guess. But we also did the whole figuring out our radar on this same trip, didn't we? So we did mess around at the start a fair bit.
What if you intentionally design the ship in such a way that you can eject the package?
Hooray,
And
we're about to complete the mission.
Opponent must stay within the planet station area for 10 seconds without moving.
Okay, I'll put it down. Any landing is a landing. Hooray!
Yay.
Objective complete.
I like it when objectives complete when I'm dead.
so destroy spaceship now?
Once you successfully complete an objective, your components will be immediately available in the garage. If you're finished, you can end the mission by holding R. There we go. I wonder if I survived just because I was standing in the doorway. It was kind of like the where to stand in an earthquake thing, except it was a landing. I'll be right back. I need to take a quick bio break. You two entertain everybody.
What?
Right, so we need to find a way to eject Splitsy.
Yeah, from reality.
Wait, so we can build up to the edge of this area?
There's like a bubble I was running into before when we're in build mode.
Yeah.
I tried to fly to the satellite dish and I ran into a big bubble.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can't build outside the yellow line.
No, you can't build outside the yellow line. What's a bubble for then?
Collision or something? Wait, isn't that vertical? That's probably limit to how high you can build.
Oh, hold on. I got an idea. We do this.
Because I'm assuming it's 50... Yeah, I'm guessing it's a square, so it's about 50 meters in every direction.
Get down here and help me.
Huh? Oh, we're trying to imprison Splitsy.
I only got limited time.
Good point. What, can we stick an RCS on this? I was just gonna say, what if there's a way of attaching grids to each other? We could tow him behind us.
There we go. Perfect.
Now we just need a cable or something, yeah, to tow it with us. So Splitsy will try to cut his way out and suddenly be flying. Jeez. Well, I suppose we have kind of ruined the camera view. Dang, we need electrical power for the camera.
There we go. The Splitsy problem has
Actually,
been
hang
dealt
on.
with.
Have we got a... Can we attach RCS and a... Actually, we could probably just do a single battery and a thruster.
Well, it doesn't have a floor.
Well, actually, yeah, what's going to happen to him? Is he just going to be dragged along the floor?
Maybe I should entomb TFE as well.
What? What have I done? Oh, we've got bigger batteries now as well.
Are you attempting to entomb me?
Yeah, and then we're trying to put a thruster on the thing, but we didn't have enough time.
Wait, why is everything blinking now? What the?
Oh, and the battery and the thruster wasn't even attached anyway.
Interesting.
Wait,
Stop doing things. Medium disposable batteries.
Yeah, we got bigger batteries now.
Yeah, so we want to fit them. Definitely. What else do we have?
Wait, what did the mission say we unlocked? Got more frames, we got full windows.
Anything with a highlight on it.
Thrusters, 2 more seats.
Yeah, 2 more lift thrusters.
2 more power routers. We unlocked a whiteboard? What does that do?
You can write things on it. Or draw things. We've got red paint. We've got a power
Oh wait, I was
blocker.
looking at the wrong thing. It's got 2 more lift fans. Choice.
We got some cameras. We got an altimeter.
Yay!
That'll help TFE.
What about the artificial horizon?
Yeah, we got a gyro line. So I can set that up for you and set the altimeter up for TFA. I don't remember what I needed to put with the altimeter to get it to display. It was just plug it into a data meter.
Ooh, a button.
Big batteries. Okay, so what are you guys doing?
I was
Kabak's doing
some
some painting.
Yeah, I was doing some painting.
Oh, you were doing some painting. Kabak, can you come inside for a second? Would it be more useful to have the gyro line there
Yep.
or there?
The first one.
Okay. And do. What do I need to connect it to? Power and 2 data?
What the?
Oh no.
What have you done?
What?
You TFE.
What?
Why have you painted part of the window?
Ow. Wait, is it painted
Who
the
let
same?
TFE use a paint roller?
Whoops. I'm sorry.
What are these supposed to connect to? Oh, these are going to be the roll meter things. I need to...
Yeah, there's an altimeter, a rotometer, and an inclinometer.
A what?
Inclinometer.
Yeah, and I need to hook your inclinometer and your rotometers up to the gyro line thing.
Oh, we got cameras now too.
Yeah, the screens are huge. So I'm not sure our cockpit's big enough for them. But we can maybe figure something out. I'm going to guess that orientation of this might matter? Maybe? I don't know. Outputs the difference in degrees between the component's down direction and gravity direction.
Yeah. Laura's gone.
Oh, I've got these on the wrong side.
Oh, we've got 2D joysticks to control both horizontal and vertical.
Wait, hang on. What have I got? That's the rotometer, that's the inclinometer. What one wants to go where? Roll tilt. Okay. That one goes there. Then... this one goes there. Probably. Sure, why not?
Hmm.
What are you humming?
So how do you tell which data you need to hook up to these things?
Bring out a data cable and it'll start giving you some information. On the input port. What are you plugging in? Go back. So I've just plugged in your inclinometer and things. I think it's right.
Well, should be able to see by turning it on. But I imagine I have to connect these to the same data?
No. No, 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 no. No.
What?
Wait, are you redoing your controls?
I added these readouts so that I can see if we're level.
No, I've given you an artificial horizon to see if you're level. What readouts from where? I'm so confused what you're doing.
I added these displays and I'm trying to figure out how to hook them up.
I don't see any displays, Capac.
What? On either side of this bin control.
Oh, those. Oh. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I think I know what we need to do. So you're going to need to split one of these data cables so it's duplicating the signal to the RCS and to that.
What? To the RCS?
Yeah. So your joystick...
Ah, what the...
Oh, wait. Are you wanting to use those as your horizon line as well? I think we need to start again, Capac, and try and get the two of us on the same page, because I don't think we're talking the same language.
Okay, freezer is now powered.
As far as I can tell, all we should need to do is duplicate the cables coming out of the inclinometer and the rotometer and output them to these things.
But it should display an artificial horizon on that screen in front of you, making those a duplicate thing. Is that what you want?
Yes.
Wait, does this thing... Oh, hang on. I don't think these are needed at all, Capac.
What?
I think these are just... I think you can just connect... I don't think those are needed at all. I think those aren't functional. Those are just... so the inclinometer and rotometer things, those are ways you could do this before we had the thing we've now got. Now that we've got this thing, you can just hook those straight up to those controls you want. So which one do you want to be roll? Is that the right spot? I can't tell.
Yeah.
Let's start from that. And go there. Let's up over. Go back. I think that's what you want.
Well,
Again.
hook it up and we'll see.
Does the game have something to read vertical velocity? I don't know. Okay, now I'll put the glass back in and then we can give this a test flight and see what happens. Alright, everyone ready?
Oh, I was trying to hook up a camera. Well, never mind.
Okay, give us some go up. So Kabak can test these meters.
What the?
Well, the horizon line's working.
What just happened?
TFE has disabled something, and yep, it's the power to those thrusters.
What?
Because he didn't put the power symbol coming outward.
No, because it
Well,
was...
I didn't see if any of the displays worked because I blinked and we were upside down.
Yeah, well, I don't know if your ones worked, but I know the screen with the artificial horizon did. It worked. But yes, TFE broke it.
I told him I was cabling. And Splitsy launched anyway.
I know. You still broke it. Alright, I'm going to remove these batteries. Remove that cable. Okay, so I gotta plug back in the door and the 2 bits on the wall. I wonder if that little hole was causing us problems. I just found a hole behind the batteries. How many of these do we have? 2. Maybe I shouldn't have removed those batteries. Eh. Oh, that's gonna have to stick out from the wall there. We're going to stone all the batteries this time? Maybe, maybe not. I haven't decided yet. Yeah, I'm going to try and install all the batteries. Just thinking about how to do so in a way that is least annoying to cable up.
No, that's not where I wanted that.
That's all of them? Yep, that's every single battery. All right, let's start with those. That goes to there. Yeah, Capac, I don't know I don't know if your things moved at all. I didn't get to see them either. No. 1 pixel. There's 1 pixel. There it is. Does it draw all batteries equally so the small ones will die first, or proportionally to stored power so they all run out at the same time, or something depending on how they're wired up? I have no idea.
Is that right? I don't know about this cabling shenanigans. No, that's not connected.
What are you trying to hook up now, Capac?
Are you in the cockpit?
Yeah, that's me looking at you.
No, that's me.
So
Oh, that's you.
I'm
Oh.
underneath the cockpit.
Oh, hang on. Let me come out of there.
No, I want you in the cockpit.
Okay.
I made a cable pass through on the floor in the front right of the cockpit.
Yeah.
That is connected to a.
Cables are in the way.
So there's a data cable coming through, which I can see is on, from my perspective, the bottom left.
Yeah. So.
Oh, is that your altimeter?
No, that's speed reader. So we need to pipe that to. Oh no, we don't want it on this side. We want it
On my side.
Go fast. Yeah,
Okay.
we need to pipe that up to that.
So if you look at the pass-through cable, you can see one of the plugs is proud.
Yeah.
That's the one to hook up. That's the one that's got a hook on the other side.
I see.
Let's go down there. You know, people on the Discord for this game have made full PID controllers in this. We're just using TFE for it. You're basically being a PID, as I understand it.
Okay.
And I will admit, I do not understand PIDs very well, even though Wasted repeatedly tried to explain them to me when we were playing Arkin.
Speed.
Okay, that looks like I've hooked everything there back up. Now I just got to get these batteries hooked up. Am I good? Button in the cockpit to close open the door. Maybe. Could be funny.
Yeah, okay. Overall or directional? I guess
What are we talking about?
The speed.
I think, oh yeah. You kind of almost want to know your ground speed rather than your airspeed, don't you? Yes.
I'll leave it on overall and we'll see how we go. I mean, in theory, I could hook up two of them and have one of each.
Yeah, true.
Running out of space on the console, though.
Have it on my wall. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well, that's it.
Yeah, there goes my PC.
Oh no. It's like I'm stuck in midair.
I don't know when the last autosave will be. I'm so glad I have a dual PC set up for this nonsense. Something I need to do when I somehow miraculously have the time to do is pull out my 3090, move my GPU from my stream PC into my main PC, bring my old 1080 and put it in my stream PC and see if we still get these crashes. Because I'm starting to become suspicious that there's something wrong with the 3090 because I got some GPU errors. But at least if I switch them over, I can prove that it's not the GPU if it still happens. And that it's then, I think, narrows it down pretty well to motherboard or PSU, because it seems unlikely that the RAM would cause the GPU to start giving GPU graphics glitches weirdness, which is what it gave me the other day. It's actually given me 3 times now. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. I did no mics. Whoops. Sorry, everyone.
Well.
Pro streamer Splitsy.
I fat fingered it. I meant to hit my be right back with mics on, not my be right back with no mics. Could have hit this one, because then you can see the catbacks know that the stream hasn't crashed, but know that my PC has.
Just stare into the sun of the main menu.
Yep.
Which looks like...
Invite
I presume that's going to be
people.
what our first attempt going to space will look like.
Yeah. Probably. I know when you two have joined. Okay. The game tells me anyway.
Oh, when's the blueprint going to be from?
Oh, there are the trees.
No, I've lost. There's no auto blueprint.
No.
Oh.
Well, GG.
That's not even
There's
painted.
normally an autosave. I don't know why it's there. It's not there. I thought it was normally there was normally an autosave.
Is this the working version at least?
This is the last one we flew, yeah.
Ah, cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what that...
You know, there's a UFO over there.
What? Where?
Over near that mountain. Past the VAB.
No. Yeah.
It's a very distant cloud, I think.
I don't see any other clouds.
Yeah. I still think it's a cloud.
Oh, we still got the unlocks.
Yeah, this is just after we finish. Like the mission stays complete, but the vehicle has reset to the last functional state, which means all the stuff Capac just did in the cockpit and everything I did in the cockpit has not been done. Nor has any of the power, nor has any of TFE's red painting.
Well, that's an improvement at least.
Knew he'd say that. What, you don't want
I
your...
set him up for it. Oh dear. All right. Well, Capac, you know what you're doing this time at least.
Not sure he agrees.
How do we do suit lights?
T.
What?
T.
T.
Yes. Light. That's the only thing I could think of saying.
Oh, well, remember my hotbar. That's convenient.
Okay. That was an unfortunate PC crash. So for those of you who know, who are curious, that crash was not a game crash. There's problems with my PC that have been ongoing for frustratingly months now.
Oh, we can only have one.
One what?
One speed sensor.
So I can't do your idea.
Yeah, at least not yet.
Yeah. That sucks. No, Takari, not my stream PC. My game PC imploded. If it was my stream PC, we would have lost everything. They're a logic splitter block. No idea.
I believe I did see some splitters.
One, two, three, four. Oh yeah. This might mean we have to change the thruster position, but it is putting the battery mass closer to the center of mass, which is not so bad. Maybe add that. Do this. Maybe painted wire. Oh no, this should be alright. All the batteries. We've never used the chairs, so I'm just going to leave them out. Then we can maybe put some cameras in. Who's poking a hole in the wall to put a computer screen in?
Me.
TFE, you realize you're making the mass asymmetrical right now, right?
A little bit, yeah.
A lot bit, because you're putting the blocks outside?
It's... Actually, wait a second. Wait, I can just cable it inside because of where it is.
Yes. I don't understand what you're doing. Other than making Capac's life a hell.
Where do I get some power from for this radar? The horizon?
This power here?
The one on the roof.
Yeah, that's going to be your power splitter. If you need to, pop another one down and join off it. Do you think you're going to need more than one?
Should be fine.
You know, you could have just undone the one that you just went over the top and just not done that. But whatever. Whatever. I'm going to stop trying.
Do these power lines have like a limit?
They need to be attached to wall points, but other than that, there's no length limit, no.
Oh, I mean like a current limit.
Don't appear to, no. The whole thing sounds an awful lot like division level arguments at NASA. Ugh. Okay, so I need to deliver power to that, and that's kind of it. Back here on this side. Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just in case we need more power back there, I'm gonna split it now, so it's tidy.
Okay, should be right.
New. Oh, yeah, got it.
Do you need the other side of that one?
Oh, poo.
I'm going to need another one to hook up the TV.
Oh, I just did this wrong.
Yeah.
You want a power cable for? You can go from the most furthest right one.
Yeah.
You can go from.
So, why does TFE need a giant computer screen?
I don't know what he's putting on it. I didn't ask.
The problem is I need access to the... Because the cable port's on the back of the... Which is really annoying.
Yeah, that's why I often remove the floor in the cockpit so that I can get to stuff.
Oh, the small batteries don't have a data port, but the medium ones do?
Yeah, so I'm going to hook up the medium ones, unless you want to do it. Hook up the medium ones to a readout in the cockpit. Hey, Capac, have you looked outside the ship recently?
What?
The side of the ship that TFE is working on. Have you looked outside it recently?
It all looks pretty standard. Reminds me of the pit of snakes in Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Just meaning the fact that it's not the same as the other side of the ship. Just stirring the pot, basically.
That's right. When he's done setting all that up, he's going to symmetrically
TFE, that's not the one I meant.
build it all for you on your side as well.
You're going up to the one on the wall.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Oh, okay. The game did crash this time.
Oh.
No.
That was a Unity crash.
No.
So have we just lost all that again then?
I don't know. Possible.
Oh.
If it has happened again, that's not great for us. I need people to use to spam Capac's save the game command. No, we have an autosave this time.
The save emote and the
How long
crash
ago
emote.
is it?
Go.
It is.
I didn't do nothing.
Could be worse. It could be worse. It's actually not that bad.
There we go. That's better.
It's actually not that bad. Yeah, I think I'll just put one there because it keeps the floor tidy.
Oh yeah, it's pretty close.
Yeah,
It was literally
it
like
actually
a
wasn't too
minute or
bad,
two,
that one. So it seems like my PC crash just broke the autosave ability.
I guess we could just do one of these guys.
Alright, then we go down from this one. Actually. There. Let me get down low. Okay, I think I've done that. I think I have recabled the back. You're just going to read off one of the batteries, Capac?
I'm just taking out one and then I'm gonna...
I love that you're using the analog displays rather than a digital one.
I could put one of these displays on each side and just have a readout for each battery.
Yeah, could do that. Probably be tidier from a cabling point of view.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that looks not too bad, having them on the side.
Hmm.
Hmm?
What the? Why did that turn red?
Ow. We've run out of data cables, haven't we?
Have we?
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to
Yeah, I
abandon my
think
TV
so.
plan then.
Yeah, we have run out of data cables.
Yeah. My camera. My lovely vertical camera.
Was that so you could... Was that pointing downwards?
Yes, so I can still look ahead while controlling the...
Why do you need to see ahead?
Well, because I'm looking forwards to control the lever.
Why don't we move the lever?
What, stick it on the floor?
Or at least so you can look downwards somewhat. Right. Do you want... So, if the lever was on the front surface, you'd be able to look down while you look at it. So do you want me to do that?
Yeah. I'm just sad about my TV.
I'm also sad about the TVs because I tried to set up the TVs too and couldn't. Because they're so big. Just the sheer size of them was the problem for me when I was playing single player.
The frames with the ports, will they join together if you put them end to end? Like if I put two next to each other, will they pass the cable through?
I have no idea. Oops, wrong thing. Helping TFE remove the... Wait, this cable doesn't need to be here at all, does it?
Yeah, I can get rid of it.
The answer is no.
Are you planning on getting rid of the shaping you did on the outside?
Yeah.
Or are you going to double it on the other side?
Just get rid of it, I think.
Oh, I see what you're doing, Kamak. It's an interesting idea. I think TFE will have an easier time looking downward while with the controller where it is now. Oh. Kamak, we're still out of cable. We don't know
Yeah.
after that.
Yep.
Where have we used all the... yeah. Okay, well, so what have we actually gotten? We've got a speedo, and you've got a...
Artificial horizon.
Is that artificial horizon too low? Do you need it higher than that so you can actually see it?
It should be okay.
All right. Well,
I've got
in that
one
case-
of the battery things hooked up.
yeah, and one of them's enough. Technically.
I can hear weird alien chirping sounds from
I think
outside.
TFE's removing stuff and
Yeah.
replacing things. So we're almost ready to do the second mission then.
Yeah, something like
Yeah.
that.
You guys want to give it a go?
What the?
Why not?
And if you turn off your suit lights, I put lights inside.
Wait, there's 2 levels of suit light? Oh.
Yeah. Could you save cable by moving the RCS control close to the middle joystick? Almost certainly, yes.
Would that be enough?
I don't know. We'll get more cable after this mission, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we get another 350.
Lost package in the snowy mountains.
Alright, let's do it.
All right. Door is closed.
Oh yeah, blueprint.
Uh,
Oh yeah, sorry, I'll do the blueprint first.
like, artificial horizon was looking a bit funky.
You didn't flip it.
What? Flip it.
Oh, I can't get at it. Now, oh, there we go. Should be good now. I'll save again so that we don't lose that.
Oh, wait, we got rid of the fridge?
Oh, I did when I was clearing out the back for the batteries.
I mean, we don't need it for this mission.
Oh.
We need it for the next one.
The
Yeah.
battery meter is reading full, so I guess that's working all right.
Oh. Vito is reading 0.
Well, I don't know.
We ready for liftoff?
I don't know what numbers mean.
There are numbers on it? Oh, yeah. I guess we'd have to figure out what the numbers relate to.
Oh,
What?
hold on.
It says 9?
25.
I'm guessing it's how many batteries we've got? Or how much power?
We are using power while we're sitting here, by the way.
Oh, so we should
20.
keep going.
25,000. No, it's put a decimal point.
Oh. Go back.
All right, where are we going? Give me a heading.
9 o'clock.
9.
Oh, you have to change to 25 now.
Oh, yeah. Now you can actually level this off properly. That's going to make a big difference.
The
We
contrast
seem
on
to be
the...
descending.
PFE.
Well,
You are so easily distracted.
well, because it was ascending normally. I wasn't expecting something to start going back down.
You mean like it does every time when Capac then has to tilt us and we lose some of our lift because we're slightly off from perfectly horizontal? You mean that? Alright. Capac, turn more. Another 45. You barely turned.
Yeah, I got distracted by almost dying.
I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, and...
UFO sighted. Dead ahead.
We just flew through one.
Okay, you're pretty close to good. Let's do some
Yep,
go
that's
fast.
it. We might need some altitude to get over these mountains.
Okay.
The, how did you change the value on the speedo? On the readout before?
Do E on the number.
And then what do you do?
Then type in numbers.
Ah. Oh. How do you exit it?
Don't know.
How did you exit it before?
I mash some buttons. Press E again. Press escape.
Nope. Oh, yep. The speedo doesn't do anything. It's just at full when I'm at full thrust.
200,
didn't work.
whatever the units are.
I just made up 200 because I wanted to see if it was like... if it actually meant anything to it.
Or you need to go higher on the numbers?
Maybe. Try. Okay.
Right. Oh,
Oh.
there you go. Apparently 200,000 is too much.
Oh man, you guys are seeing an update, but I'm not.
Oh.
It looked right at about
Okay.
20,000.
Oh, 2,000.
2,000.
Try about 800. Oh, yeah, 1,000.
Oh, we seem to be approaching the ground.
Yes, we do. Alright, I've got it at 500 now.
Yeah, we need to set up an altimeter for TFE.
Yep.
How we do? Oh, we're still heading in the right direction. It must be pretty far.
I don't think we are heading the right direction. I think we're heading the exact wrong direction. I think this thing's been flipped around.
Oh, yeah. It looks like we're moving away.
Oh, why is it flipped?
Well,
All right, coming about.
yep. So splits installed it the wrong way up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What did Capac
This hasn't
installed?
been touched since.
Then why is it upside down now?
No, I'd flipped it before. I'd made it correct, but it had flipped itself. It had reset to 0. Maybe this. Oh, maybe the saved version of the craft was. No. Oh, yeah, maybe the saved version of the craft was the wrong one and was before I fixed it. Never saved it after we worked it out in flight. Yes, that's true. I did fix it on that flight, didn't I? Well, that's a thing to remember for next time.
All right, is our heading correct yet?
Pretty good. Yeah, straight out there.
Okay. Oh, yep, speedo looks like it's doing something now.
Yeah, setting it to 500 seemed to be a decent point where we can actually get an idea. We could restart the mission at this point.
We got
Reset
heaps
that
of
and take
power.
off again. Do we, though?
Yep.
Keep going.
We should be able to see ourselves fly over our base in a second. Nearly
Oh, we
flying
can
directly
view
over top of it.
through the floor.
Hmm. Have either of you spotted it yet?
Nope.
Thought it was going to be in that little valley there, but no. Restart the mission after you crash at the next collection. Well, I suppose TFE and Capac should probably find out. I haven't completed the next mission. I ran out of power.
Oh, superb. I guess that's why we've got the big batteries now.
No, this is set up. This is set up. It doesn't. It has outputs, not inputs. If Capac did a big roll, you'd see that it would go off.
Yeah, it seems to be
horizontal.
working fine.
Yeah, it was working perfectly.
He's just very level at the moment.
Yes, just desirable.
Still don't see it.
This does make me wonder how much fun it could be to play multiplayer with you guys in Space Engineers with forced first person only.
Hmm. We're only in, was it the mod where it's only in seats?
No, I mean all the time.
Oh boy.
Because you can always use spectator cam to cheese it when you need to cheese it for a thumbnail.
If everyone pilot the ship from the same couch.
The real question is, would you be able to tolerate me and Capac's camera movement?
Oh, I'm not talking about doing that as an edited thing.
I'll just
I'll
stream it.
do it live and make it the audience's problem, not mine.
There's the base.
There's the base.
Hey.
In amongst those shadows.
The UFO clouds.
What? Shadows? I don't see any shadows.
Are we pitching up?
We are almost dead level.
I think we're pitching up a bit.
Battery
Or
is...
has TFE got us going, gaining altitude?
Yeah, I'm at 56.
Yeah, we were pitching up, Capac.
Battery levels dropped a tiny bit, but we should be fine for ages.
You say a tiny bit. We have to cross all the way across this stretch of water in front of us, land, take off, and come back. The small batteries are almost at half power.
Yeah, that's fine.
So it seems like power draw is equal per battery.
So what happens when the
Not-
small batteries run out?
Not as a ratio of the battery's maximum storage.
So what, we're going to lose RCS when the small batteries die?
No, we'll just have a rather rapid decrease over the last little bit of power from the medium batteries when they're the only thing providing power. All right, we should be heading over the water soon. Thanks, Ashes. Thank you for the 42.
Hey, of course, we're above the clouds. We're that high up.
Yeah, do we need to be this high up?
Should start lowering a bit.
How close are we? We still got a ways to
Miles
go.
away. Because I'm really zoomed out on the radar too. So if you look out the front and try and see where the edge of the landmass is, then you can get an idea of how much water we've got to cover as well.
We're going to space. Say we're almost in orbit.
I don't think our thrusters can take us to orbit.
Wait, couldn't the big thrusters on the back do it if you tilted?
Rebecca, are you doing this?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I don't know if the big thrusters can. They look like atmospheric thrusters to me, so I wasn't sure.
That star over there is really green.
Oh yeah.
It is too. Oh yeah, I get a hint of curvature too. Planet's big. We're only getting a vague hint of it. The star is a bad pixel that we all have. Yeah, but we're still pitching up.
Yeah, I've only got lift on 13, and we're still...
We're pitching up a lot. I suspect...
Oh, we've got an RCS yellow alert.
What? How? How have we already used that one up?
That's the same one as before, the one that
You
was
must have a
making me not
favouring
turn.
of going that way, Kavak.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
Or there's something wrong with it. In the way it's...
Well, I don't think the RCS do anything unless Capac interacts with the controller. I think they're idle unless he's doing that. So I don't think there's any way for them to use it up. We're about a third of the way across the water. Oh, you've gotten us up to... You got us up to 400 units per unit.
Unit of...
Whatever that
speed.
means. Because of the pitch down. Getting us across this quicker. How are our small batteries looking? Oh, they're down to about a third power.
You know what we
Maybe.
need?
More RCS thrusters. Oh wait, did we
Solar
get
panels.
some? Did we get some more RCS?
Don't know.
Yes, we're doing 400 parsecs an hour.
Yeah, 400 kilometers an hour isn't too bad. I do wonder... Oh. Capac, I think I might know why one of them's going out. Maybe it's having... Its position doesn't give it enough leverage, so it's having to put more thrust out to actually respond to what you're asking it to do. So if we put them in better positions, maybe they'd use less fuel.
Maybe.
What do you think? Yeah. That might be able to improve it.
Oh, I guess Kavak can just go outside now and fix it.
Yep.
No.
Oh no, it's raining outside.
Well, you almost took us through some clouds.
Yeah, it's very
Oh,
Right.
we're approaching destination.
Yep. I've been zooming us in.
Do I need
We're
to
up to
disable the lift?
40% zoom. Well, Catback had us pitched down.
Don't see a
It's still
landmass
very
ahead
high
yet.
up.
We don't have an altimeter, did we? Not yet.
No.
We're doing okay. Well, since this is the peaceful bit, I'll be right back.
Oh no. Kavak is abandoned us mid-flight.
Yeah, typical.
Well, you know. It is what it is.
See, what he does is he spends the whole flight naysaying about how much power we're going to have, and then as we're just about to reach our destination, he pieces out while we crash into the mountain.
What, goes
and
and hops in the
blames us
escape
for
pod
everything
and
going
ejects.
horribly wrong. Oh, I can see
Well, I
something.
probably need to turn off the go fast in a minute.
Honestly, I think...
Those look like some quite big mountains.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, they do. Oh, I'll just put it back on.
I'll power up the lift then.
I think we don't need the capax. Just doing some stretches.
I think maybe we should have put the button for the door at this end of the ship.
Why?
Well, the amount of times we've had it open and not being able to close it again.
You mean the one time you were the only one left in the ship?
We're about to overshoot our target.
Huh? Pilot? Flare up.
Oh, what's it?
Are we
I see
getting snow?
particles.
Yeah, we're in the snow.
Alright, do we need to begin our descent?
Probably. Oh, TFE! God, you turning off the thrusters entirely makes me really panicked. Can you see down at least better now?
Yeah, a little
So you
bit.
can see how quickly
Sort
we're
of.
approaching those mountains?
Yeah.
Yes. TFE's approach of begin descent is turn it to 0.
We're really high up.
I mean, the snow does make it a lot easier to see what our actual trajectory is.
A bit.
Trajectory being straight down.
And Kabak, you might want to give us some... I guess we can get closer, but we're still quite a
Oh,
ways
yeah,
from
there
the
you go.
package.
We're going to need a little bit of forward thrust. Now, we have pretty much come to a stop.
Alright, I've given you a little bit of forward.
Yeah, it is cool seeing the snow reverse direction.
Yeah, the snow particles are actually tied properly to the world space is really cool. Give us a little bit more left, Kabak. Okay, slow us down a bit.
Anyone see anything yet?
You paint the go fast lever to red to make it go faster. Alright, I think we need to come down a bit lower before we're going to see it. How did you label it last time, Kabak?
Label what?
You did a beacon.
Control F.
Oh, you do it on the radar screen. Head to the orange beacon.
Ah. That's handy.
What? Orange? It's the wrong way.
Oh no. Where's the orange? No, I just did the orange one off the... Wait. Package is red beacon. But who did the red one? Capac.
I did.
How did you do it?
Control F.
What? Looking at what?
The ground.
Did you see the beacon over there?
What?
Can you see the... Can you see the package? Sorry.
No.
So your beacon means nothing.
I pinged on the ground where it looked like it should be according to the radar.
Okay.
Oh, I see something blinking on the ground. If you look at the bottom, top left.
I
I
can't see
can't
it.
make out anything in all the snow.
There's something blinking down there.
Well, Control F it.
Yeah.
Too far away, apparently.
What?
No, it shouldn't be. Control F. See, we can do it down there.
It's closer.
We're going to play warmer, colder, are we?
Yeah.
Is that closer?
There we go.
If he's pointed over there.
We're descending quite... Oh, well, not super fast, but a bit fast.
Oh, now we're going up.
that.
Now he's got to wait for that little burst to wear off before he can find his spot again. Why is the snow falling up? Because we were going down faster than the snow.
Yeah, that's like how parachutes work. When it looks like they go flying upwards when they open, it's just because the camera keeps falling.
Yeah, it's not now because we're going up. The snow is very slowly falling to the ground, so if we're falling to the ground faster, then the snow... Oh, I see the beacon. The package, I mean. TV, can you get rid of your beacon?
Yeah.
Alright, go back. Orange heading. That's where you got to get to.
Okay.
Are you intentionally pitching forward?
I was.
Okay. Checking. Alright, but now you know exactly where you got to get to. We can get some forward... Do you want me to get some forward movement?
A little bit.
Alright, I'll give you 9. See if he can just try and give us a hover near the ground. Nice.
Yep, that looks pretty good.
Maybe a little bit more thrust here, because we're still approaching the tree. There's a tree, there's a tree, there's a tree, there's a tree.
Oh, I can see something on the ground.
Yep. Bit more forward.
Yeah, what's making the... Oh, it's the radar, isn't it?
Yes.
I can't hear it. It's far away.
There you go, Capac. I've turned it off for now. We also just flew straight over the thing.
Why are we going so fast all of a sudden?
Because I gave us a bit of forward, but I don't know why it did seem like it went really suddenly quickly. Really suddenly. Oh, you had some pitch forward, that's why. We're still moving forward, Capac. You're gonna have to turn around.
Yo.
Tiffy, you gotta bring us back down. Slowly. How's that power looking? Ah. We are out of our small batteries.
Wow, so small batteries are only like, what, like 5% of our total?
Well, it's hard to say. Because there's...
We're going down very fast.
The ground is so featureless below where we are.
It's got trees on it.
Not directly where I'm looking.
But you've also got snow. Snow helps.
The problem is there wasn't trees where I was looking.
Yeah, but there's snow. Snow.
Yeah, but the problem is that the ground's very flat.
I feel like we're just flying around in a giant pogo stick.
Okay, are we close enough to land?
No, I don't think so. I think we want to get closer. I think it's probably. I reckon if you level off now, you'll coast to the right position. Also, I could do some really minimal go fast if you get us pointing at it and level. Oh, this is pretty good. If you can land here, I reckon we call it a win.
Slow.
Too much slow. We're going up. Oh man, we need an altimeter for this. I see grass. Grass? Looks like grass, maybe. Oh, you're close, TFE. You are close.
Oh, snow is actually cubes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
was that the
Touchdown.
ground?
Hey.
Nice one. Hey, we're actually pretty close.
Watch out for wolves.
What?
Polar
Don't tell me about
bears.
wolves.
We're in the
Polar
Arctic.
bears.
Hooray.
Oh, geez, this looks pretty big.
It is bigger.
Is it gonna fit in the door?
Yeah.
Just stick it where TFE was going to put his computer monitor.
Not sure I'll be able to access
good
the
landing.
controls from there.
That's a good landing, TFE. Well done. Do you guys want to get in first?
Well, if
But then
you
how are
click-
you gonna get it?
Well, because I'll walk it in backwards.
I was going to say you could get it in the door and I could grab it, pull it in. 'Cause that doesn't seem to be... Oh, no.
I had to find that center tiny bit of ramp that there is. Okay. Now we need to go home before we run out of power.
Close the door, maybe?
Yeah, I don't know. Could do that.
And then maybe turn it sideways so it won't slide down here and hit us.
It doesn't slide.
Hope you're right.
All right. We're heading?
1:30.
Now I'm thinking, do you mean time or degrees?
We need more altitude, or are we going to clear these?
Yeah, it should be all right.
See, you say Capac's pretty good at landings? TFE's the one doing the landings.
I
He's
just
the
take
one in
the
control.
I just take the yo-yo approach to landing.
You, it's so easy. Like we're all giving you so much grief, but it is so easy to overcorrect. You almost need two joysticks. One that does like within 1%, and one that does the 0 to 100%.
Yeah, some more precision would be nice.
You can get more precision if we were doing this differently, but I think the way we're doing it kind of suits our little group and everyone having something to do.
It doesn't help I've been dragging instead of using W and S to move it.
Yeah, there is that.
A hotkey for fine movements sounds like it could be useful.
Kabak, you want to give us some level off?
I guess we're probably a bit high.
I was just thinking more speed. We're only going tree fitty. There might be a
Okay.
hotkey to make fun movements.
Autopilot activated.
And look at that. Our RCS is still okay. Battery is just below 80% on the mediums.
Set up camera sensors for collision avoidance.
Yeah, so if we had monitors with cameras, we could see where certain corners of our vehicle are.
I am Fury saying you can. Sounds like it's some kind of automated setup.
Oh, is it more like a crash sensor in your car that beeps as you get closer?
Sounds too advanced for the likes of us.
Agreed.
No, you can also have a beeper to basically beep at you depending on how high you are. But it gets more frantic as you get closer, like a... what's it, the thing cars have? Where they beep at you when you're getting too close to the one next to you.
Knows how in your build help manual. Open or close the gate. Cables through the frame. One lever, multiple thrusters. Maneuvering spaceship. Oh, we get wireless transmitters. That's going to save us a lot of cables. A beeper. You can use the beeper to estimate your height above the ground during landing. Place a distance meter on the bottom of your spaceship pointing towards the surface. Because it outputs the current distance in meters, you need to remap this value to the beeper's input range. At 0, the beeper is silent, and as the signal approaches 1, it beeps more frequently. So it literally is a parking.
Now we just need to change the beep to pull it up.
And there's a breaking point system guide as well. I'm going to guess we couldn't have set up a beeper yet because it's grayed out in our manual, because I don't think we've got the parts until we finish this mission. Oh, we're getting closer to home.
Hey.
Will we succeed at our landing?
Oh, power's dropped below half. Excellent.
Yep.
Well, yes and no. I've set the min on the readout to be 5,000
Oh.
so that we have some buffer.
It's clever.
How does that give us a buffer?
Because you start panicking
Because
thinking
when we get 0, we're in the emergency 5,000 units of remaining power rather than just falling out of the sky.
Plus, it maintains that drama of when it's going to run out.
Are you, Kabak, are you the kind of person... No, never mind, I won't even bother asking that question. I know the truth.
You ask it anyway.
This sort of setup would imply Capac is the kind of person who sets his clocks forward so that he actually leaves the house vaguely on time.
Not sure if it works.
Problem is the second part of that probably doesn't happen.
The clock in my car was like that for a long time.
Isn't the problem with that you need someone else to do it without telling you?
No, because you'll actively put the thought in sometimes, but a lot of the time you won't. You'll just glance at the clocks, and it's for those glancing ones when you're not really thinking about it. That's what you're protecting yourself against. The time you're thinking about it, you're actually calculating and doing the math, so it's fine. But when you're just doing a very quick assessment, that's when you get it wrong. Like, my other half likes that our oven clock is set somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes faster. Because that's the one that she'll glance at when she's rushing to get ready to work. Capac is very much a glass is broken and shattered on the floor. And all of his delicious food, delicious drink is now wasted.
He's the kind that tips the glass over.
The glass is half gone. Just half of it is missing for no apparent reason.
It's the half that had the fluid in it. You've just got a little open tube of glass. The glass is a sippy cup.
That's what gives you that extra crunch.
Right, we're over the land again. Progress is being made.
Right, time to strap a whole load of extra boosters on this so we can go even faster.
No, Capac is the cat that would push the cup off the edge of the table. True.
The closest I've come to ever running out of fuel in my car was when I was driving home from Canberra with my aunt and grandmother in the car. And I left Canberra without realizing that I had very badly needed to fill up. And so I had to drive all the way to Goulburn on the red line with my fingers crossed and trying not to freak out about the idea of pushing my car along the highway with my aunt and grandmother in it.
All right, we need to go a little bit left. Bit further, bit further, bit further, bit further, bit further, bit further. And we're good.
See if you can mark the thing base if you can see it.
Done.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize we're that close away.
Yep, we've done well on the return trip. It's almost like we know we don't have to land.
There is a slight problem.
What's that?
With the design here. The seams between the windows.
Yeah.
I'm directly on course. The beacon is obscured behind.
Yep. Well, at least then you know if you can't see it. DFE's bringing us down, I take it.
Oh, we're coming down a little fast.
We're also a little bit off. It's fun seeing you guys move, seeing the controls move as you guys do stuff. Yeah, I'll give us a bit of go forward. So you don't have to do any pitch adjustments. You'll have to pitch up to slow us down though, because TFE didn't give me any slowdown. So your labeling of my throttle is accurate. I did a couple of times come pretty close to running out of fuel in an LPG car, which is slightly more complicated to get filled up. I just have a standard jerry can. Come back. Are we going to close in the remaining distance? Because you're pitched up right now, so I can't do it gently. I don't want to overcook it. I'll just let you do it. Oh, look at that. I got my beacon pretty much dead on the landing pad. Like, it's just on the edge of the landing pad. Not bad.
We even moving?
No. Trying to get us a little bit closer. Oh, oh, oh. TV feathering it. Feathering that throttle. Oh yeah, this is looking good.
And bring us down nice and gentle.
Yeah, do it. Yep, you got it, TV. Totally not going to grab the package just in case something goes wrong. Look at that power. 8,000 remaining.
Oh, I see a shadow on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
go down.
Hooray!
Hey.
You did it! We actually didn't break anything that time.
I don't know, it sounded like you broke something in a container when you slammed it onto the ground.
Perhaps. Perhaps.
Frame full, window full, electric thruster, seat, toggleable light, joystick, disposable
More
battery, power
batteries.
router, whiteboard, something. Oh, we got more data cable. That's
We
useful.
did. But we also, I think, might have some stuff that will mean we need less if we've got some. Hey! Don't do that.
Why's the box still here?
I don't know, but keep.
Oh!
Well, that's probably where we want to wrap up then, I guess, because I don't think we're going to get the space thing done today.
Yeah, that seems unlikely.
Do you guys want to come back and attempt the space mission at some point soon?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, we'll come back and we'll try and do the space things. I will save the blueprint.
Oh, you can't jump on top of it.
I think the next person streaming is me, which is tomorrow morning with with Shaq, playing some Vintage Story. And then Capac will be around sometime later with some Workbench stream. And TFE, when are you back?
I'm back on Thursday morning with some more of the Batman games.
Batman.
Yeah.
And for those of you who just changed onto daylight savings, check the schedule. Even if you didn't, check the schedule anyway, because my streams are changing around a bit this week for reasons. I'm going to be playing some Timberborn at some point soon. I've just got to figure out when it actually works with their release date. I don't know. So I'll figure that out, and I will keep the Twitch schedule as up to date as I can manage to. But yeah, there's lots of things coming. We will see you then, I guess. Yeah, sure.
What a
Why
beautiful
not?
spaceship.
Have a good one, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Catch you next time, everybody. Let's do it.